What's up, people, and welcome back to a new stream here on the video. What's up, people, and welcome back to this new stream here on the channel. Right away, getting very exciting. You can see Bitcoin is keep getting falling here for the cup. Yeah, let's see the past left. For the past approximately 11 hours. Sorry, I'm also just waking up here, getting comfortable. So thank you for tuning in already to this amazing video here. But guys, what are we seeing right now here? Is this a reason to panic? No, right away we'll be saying this. There's no reason to panic here, because I see already a lot of people are freaking out right here. And I do think that we are, of course, it's weekend. There's a little bit of FUD going around here. I was reading some other stuff as well, but there is a little bit of FUD going around here right now. And thank you for tuning in here. And I see everyone saying good morning already. So that's, of course, very cool, because first we were faking that we were looking very bullish here. And I will be right away saying here, I'm still bullish on the market. I'm still feeling very bullish on the market, even though that we are, of course, having a correction. And you can call this a lower low getting created. And that this maybe is a trend reversal. But you also have to know it's the weekend, and usually we are seeing these shakeouts happening in the weekend. And also what we are going to do is create a CME gap to the upside. So that's, of course, a very lovely thing to see here, because if we're going to create a CME gap to the upside, it's more likely to see a big push on the Monday. But nevertheless, was this a likely level to get stopped out here? Because, yeah, it looks like the dump is not over yet here, because we're still in a downtrend and we want to wait for a confirmation. But still, I will be flipping bullish. I'm not bearish yet on Bitcoin. If I look to the 1 hour, you can see that we were getting pretty oversold here, and my head is in front of it. But you can see over here we were getting pretty oversold. The RSI was dipping below approximately to the 18 or 19 in the index. Are we going to see a bullish divergence getting created with another leg down first getting created, and then, of course, a bullish divergence in the RSI maybe? That is definitely a possibility that we're going to see so. And yeah, this was a very likely level that we're going to find some support, because you can see here previous very strong resistance will be now flipping into support here. It was also providing you a lot of support. But guys, we were not holding on to this previous support level. This was the support level that we were first trading on with Bitcoin. You can see this level was showing a lot of significance, but we could not hold on to this level. Of course, we bounced back to the upside, but then still so a major reversal to the downside. And I'm, of course, I don't like to see it, but still, I know that we are going to be all right here. It's the weekend. Usually a lot of manipulation is going on in the weekend. And also for Bitcoin, if Bitcoin wants to set new all-time highs, guys, if Bitcoin really wants to set new all-time highs, usually you first see a move down getting created, and then you can, of course, exponentially grow here. So I do think it's nothing to worry about still. It's nothing to worry about. Maybe we're even going to retest the supportive line over here. Then the uptrend in the bigger picture is still okay here. So in my opinion, I should not be freaking out here. Of course, in the end of the day, we're still setting a lower high, and this is, of course, can still be bearish for Bitcoin, but there can be a possibility that we even head lower here. And I want to raise awareness, and this is the reason why I'm also saying it. But I don't really expect it, to be honest. Also with the CME, still betting on a higher Bitcoin. Also creating a gap on the top side if we're going to close it the daily around the 57K here, because the CME closed around the 60K, guys. So you have to know, it's CME closed at 60K, a big gap to the upside. So there can be a possibility that we're going to push very quickly to the upside once again here, even on this Sunday, guys. So I don't think that we're going to keep falling. And definitely will be a very exciting day here, because always, once you're seeing volatility in the market, and always once you're seeing Bitcoin dropping off for a second, it is providing us very good opportunities here. And this is once again the thing, what I love to see here in Bitcoin. I love volatility, because it always gives you opportunities. So let me right away check the chat here. Morning, Rover, loads of coffee. That's completely true. Already drink a lot of coffee, so of course just waking up here, looking at the charts, because I was, of course, waking up. The first thing I always do once waking up is looking at the charts, and I was seeing Bitcoin, of course, sitting around the 57K, and I thought, damn, I right away have to go live here, because we want to discuss this, what is going on currently. So let me also flip on to this Fibonacci tool, guys. Let me go to the 4 hour and set up a Fibonacci. Maybe we can spot some levels of previous resistance. Oh, damn. Previous resistance, maybe flipping into support. Let me set it up from over here, by the way. If I look to certain levels that we can be possibly finding support at. So yeah, if you look to this scenario, if you look to the 0.236 here, this is, of course, a very strong level of support. You can see it was providing us support over here, and right now it's not showing a lot of significance, and it's more likely to see this as a rejection. But let's see if we can still find support in it. And of course, let me look at the extension levels as well here. If I set it up like this here, maybe we can see some more significance in the chart. Yeah, if you look at it like this, I can see the 0.618 here is providing you resistance, and of course we're right now we're not breaking through it yet. So we definitely want to see Bitcoin, of course, bouncing back to the upside here, and especially the thing what I do think what we can still be playing here, and this is usually what Bitcoin is doing here. So once Bitcoin is falling, you want to look for a reversal because you want to look for long opportunities here. And my opinion, once you can open longs, is first wait a little bit before we're seeing the confirmation. So what I'm expecting here, to be honest, is another leg down getting created here. So we're going to see another move down getting created, so a lower high getting created over here and a higher high in the RSI. And then usually you're spotting a divergence. That's definitely a thing that Bitcoin does quite a lot here. And that's also a thing, if you're willing to open a position, I should still wait on the sidelines for now and wait for this divergence playing out, because probably we're going to see this divergence, and of course once seeing a divergence, this will be really your entry target. And I mean, we can still bounce to the upside from here on. I'm not saying that we're not going to bounce from here on, because we already touched very important support, and usually once touching these support levels, you're going to just start a new uptrend. But if we're not going to do so, that will be my next target to really look for your long position. So let me know what you guys have for me. So I just sold my Ethereum. So also, good morning, Crypto Aaron. But man, guys, please, I don't want to cause FUD here, but please don't sell your Bitcoins, don't sell your Ethereum right now. Why should you be selling here? Tell me right away in the chat. Why should you be selling? Okay, we dipped below the previous all-time high, but yeah, Ethereum was pretty overextended. But what are you doing right now? Let me check this real quickly, because it looks like you're forming a bullish divergence, guys. This is extremely hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hourly on Ethereum. So you can see we're creating a higher low with a lower low in the RSI. This is an extremely bullish hidden divergence, guys. So please, don't sell your Ethereum right now if you're dropping off for a second. I don't know. If you bought at the top, of course, it's pretty important. But why should you be selling right here? Because it will be making another leg up anytime soon here. And this is also my reason to please, because I like divergence. I like playing divergence because usually they show a lot of significance. And right now, I'm having this bullish divergence on Ethereum on the 4 hour. So I should not be selling your Ethereum right now here. And of course, we have to break through the previous all-time high once again here. Do want to be seeing this breakthrough really quickly. Then, yeah, ready very quickly, of course. And also, guys, yesterday I was talking about my Polkadot entry, and also in yesterday's stream I was talking about Polkadot and also about the Polkadot chart itself. And I extremely feel bullish on it. And I entered my position because yesterday I was giving you my setup where I was entering. And of course, I entered over here and I'm already in approximately 60% profit on this trade here that I yesterday, of course, showed in the stream. And that's, of course, cool. Let me know if you who joined me with this one. But yeah, this is already doing very good. And I'm definitely going to write this one to new all-time highs because I believe that we can be going much, much higher with Polkadot. And I yesterday also made this quick update, guys, about Polkadot because I think that Polkadot is ready to go to maybe $80 in this coming month here. It can be going up very quickly, and maybe you're calling me a moon boy, but I am being very realistic. I think Polkadot can definitely steal the show here for the coming month. So that's also the reason why I'm in this trade. And in this video, I was also discussing, let me quickly get it in front of me, the daily MACD bullish crossover, guys. And this is, of course, a thing that I can't ignore here. This is just extremely bullish for me, and also, of course, for the Polkadot price action. You can see here, you have this blue line crossing the orange one. Bullish crossover exactly over here. So exactly over here, you had the bullish crossover. Exactly over here, you had the bullish crossover. And right now, we are having another one, guys. So is this significance? Is this showing enough significance to open a position on Polkadot, a swing trade position? Yes, I do think so. And are you open? Did you open one? Yes, I also did so. So I think, yeah, you were still pretty early with this one. I'm looking forward to it. Let's see where it is heading towards. But guys, I feel extremely bullish on it. And the second reason why here is, and I don't know why this chart is once again doing so weird, but look at this, guys. This is the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin valuation. And this is also a thing that I quickly want to say here, because Polkadot compared to Bitcoin is looking like it's going to create an insane rally once again to the upside. And moon boy, I know, guys. What do you mean with the dominance? I will be going back into the dominance in a second about Bitcoin. But guys, first, look at this chart. This is the daily chart on the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin valuation. And what you can have here, extremely fast run to the upside. Correction to the downside, Then we broke through. We tested it multiple times. We broke through its level. And what you want to be seeing here, after you're breaking through a level, you want to be seeing the retest coming in. So, of course, the best scenario was to enter on this retest, but right now already bouncing back to the upside here, guys. I do think that we can be showing way more volatile. I do think that we can be taking out this high easily, and we are already sitting at an all-time high for the Bitcoin valuation compared to Polkadot. So it is looking very good. And also, if I look just purely to the Bitcoin dominance, it is also looking good, because in the Bitcoin dominance, it is showing me that we are ready to have an alt season anytime soon here, guys. So I feel very excited about this one. And guys, let me know if you guys feel as excited as me, because I definitely think that we can be heading towards new all-time highs, guys. And yeah, that's the reason why I'm still accumulating these swing trade positions. And also, I know Bitcoin is dropping off right now for a second. I know Bitcoin is dropping off here, and people are freaking out, but I'm not freaking out here. I'm not freaking out. I'm only accumulating more positions, because always, once Bitcoin is dropping off, I should be accumulating. I should not be freaking out here. I should be not just selling my Bitcoin, because you don't know who you're selling at. And I can tell you one thing, and it is that the whales are right now currently buying more and more Bitcoin. So, come on, guys. This is looking very good here. The previous resistance, flipping it to support. Of course, we've recently also touched this level already. And the funny part about it is always once you're dropping off in a weekend, usually you see the Mondays, of course, boosting back again. So, I mean, I'll be really honest with you. I am more happy that we're dumping over this weekend than we're pumping to a new all-time high. Because if we're pumping to a new all-time high in this weekend, that would have been very bearish. Because then we were creating probably a very red Monday. So right now, the rest of the week can only be green. So I'm very happy that we already done it today. So, I mean, people, please freak out here. Because we are dropping off today. But we will be bouncing back tomorrow or already later this day. So please, don't panic sell over here. I still think that, yeah, we can be creating maybe a bullish divergence. So we can maybe create a minor leg down here still. And then, of course, move higher. But at the end of the day, it is just looking good here for Bitcoin. Finding support at this very critical level, of course. And then we probably will be moving higher. So let me check it. It's falling. Let me see. Sell all my Bitcoin. Please don't do so. Of course, no financial advice. You can do whatever you want here. But I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. And I think it's a very bad thing to do right now. I think it's a very bad thing to do right now. And guys, by the way, we are just starting off the stream for exactly 50 minutes here. Currently having 600 live viewers. Guys, can we smash it up to 200 likes? That would be amazing, because we're currently only 10 likes away from the 100 likes. And then we only need another 100 likes to smash it up to 200 likes. So can we smash it up to 200 likes? That would be amazing. Let me know if you already smashed that subscribe button, and also smash that like button. That would be, of course, very amazing, because then we can just continue the stream. And let me know if you also have some questions for me, because then we can be looking into that as well, of course. Let me know if you have some questions for me, because I would love to discuss every single thing here. Okay, bro, I'm waiting for a buy. Of course, I mean, if you're already exposed to Bitcoin, it's good. It's good. If you're willing to buy the dump, I should do it exactly. This is literally giving you another opportunity to buy the dump, and I think it's a good position right now to buy into. But also, if you're a day trader just like me, and you really want to open a position on Bitcoin right now, I should wait a little bit longer. Wait for the confirmation of maybe this divergence, what can possibly play out, because I believe this divergence can be playing out here, and this is also a thing that Bitcoin tends to do a lot here before really reversing to the upside once again. So please wait for this divergence if you're a trader, if you're a holder, if you're just an accumulator here in the cryptocurrency space. I should definitely get already your Bitcoins, because yes, this is a speculation pattern. I mean, a speculation divergence. But yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. But if you're not exposed to Bitcoin, you should definitely get it right now. So also smash it up to 150 likes already. So that's absolutely insane. So can you explain your XRP vision once again? So yes, I can be explaining my XRP vision once again. Of course, we are right now re-entering this channel, and maybe I have to draw it a little bit different here. I still feel, even though I don't really like XRP, but guys, this is a thing that I do want to be saying. So I will be calling this a rejection. I just redrawed it a little bit. But even though I don't like XRP, guys, I will be saying this once again here. Because if you look, if you look to the XRP chart, guys, are you seeing any significance? And this is my XRP vision for real right now. I do think that we're going to see an exponential growth for XRP. I think we're going to see another increase to $3 anytime soon here. So a 600% increasement will be laying out at the corner. I will be not exactly calling it when it will be happening, but I will be saying it will be happening at least in the coming 3 months, okay? It will be at least in the coming 2 or 3 months. It will be happening. I think 2 months already. It will be here rather sooner than later. But look at this, guys. XRP forming this symmetrical triangle over here. Then a huge run up. Then a huge run up, of course. And what are we doing exactly? This is also on the weekly time frame. And what are we doing right now? And at this point, Ethereum and other altcoins were pumping as well here, where XRP was just not doing anything. And what are we doing here right now? And I'm just ignoring the news, and I'm just ignoring the lawsuit that we're currently having, because this is the reason for me to believe this pattern is just very historical. And of course, this is speculation once again here. But if you want to maybe make a possibility for 6x in your initial, I mean, XRP is likely to do the exact same what it did previously as well here. So I feel extremely bullish on the XRP right now. Even though I'm not like it. You all know it on the channel if you're already watching the channel for a long period of time. I don't like XRP because I don't like buying into coins where a lot of institutions are probably also not going to buy into. And that is XRP, of course. So I am still staying on the sidelines here. But I just want to call this. I'm saying on the sidelines, but that's a lie, because I bought very small into XRP. Because I just want to get exposed a minor bit, because I do believe this can be playing out anytime soon here, guys. So look, let's see what we are going to do. Let's see what XRP is going to do here. And guys, by the way, just a quick update. After this live stream, I will be uploading this exit strategy video. So once we are done with the live stream, you have to know, we're just starting off the live stream for 20 minutes. We'll be definitely continuing for, let's say, another 2 or 3 hours. I think 3 hours at least. But once the stream is done, I will be right away uploading the video of the exit strategy. So if you're looking forward to it, make sure to keep an eye out on the channel, because today I will be uploading my exit strategy video. This video is of course very relative at the moment, because of course we are seeing Bitcoin of course also a little bit falling at the moment, even though I don't think that we are at the end of the cycle. At least 100k is my target for Bitcoin. I'll also tell that in that video, and I'm also going to tell in that video how I am going to still make money in the bear market. So that is of course very important. So good morning. I see still sorry, I still see people saying good morning. So very cool that everyone is right now currently tuning in here. Be aware, Forger, check social media before depositing. What is going on with the Forger app? Let me know, Backcross. End of the show. Yes, by the end of the show, I will be uploading the video. I sold it all. Please don't do so. Of course, no financial advice, but I'm not looking to sell at lows. I'm only looking to sell at highs. So yeah, this is once again giving Bitcoin a minor cool period. And let me quickly look at the EMA ribbon once again, because it looks like, yeah, we are dropping below the EMA ribbon on the 4 hour, where first the EMA ribbon was providing us a lot of support. So this is of course very unfortunate that we are getting rejected at the moment, because I don't like to see it. I do like to see the EMA ribbon, of course, providing the support. But what we are currently having is, that's not providing enough support. So usually once you're seeing this means that we are basically done with the minor uptrend. And maybe we're going to do the exact same like we did over here. Just a quick flip to the red and then flip in bullish once again. Because, yes, we haven't broke through the previous all-time high here. But guys, I don't like this to see this. I can't be bullish on this one, to be honest. And also if I look to the EMA ribbon on a daily, the 20-day moving average. Let me see. I will be going into your super chat in a second, but let's look at this. The 20-day moving average. We were talking about this once we were breaking above it, that this was always providing us very good support. So what are we doing right now? Once again, we are finding support at the 20-day moving average. Guys, this is extremely looking good for Bitcoin. I do think the bounce is imminent. So, Needy, thank you so much for supporting the channel. And you're saying, can you have a look at the chart of Crypto? Looks interesting, and when should I open a new Ethereum trade? I don't know which chart you're talking about, Needy. When should I open a new Ethereum trade? I don't know which chart you are talking about, my friend. What happened to the Litecoin yesterday? We got stopped out. We were discussing that. Unfortunately, we got stopped out here because, yeah, of course, Bitcoin was reversing a little bit here. And I can go back into the chart of Litecoin as well here, because it looks like we're just getting a rejection over here. We draw this a little bit one, but we got stopped out here. And it is better that we got stopped out, because our stop loss was sitting around $207, and otherwise we were even more in the red. So that is, of course, pretty unfortunate. But the fortunate thing here, but the thing that I do like here, of course, is that we are currently, yesterday we were also discussing a possibility to open a trade on, let me get it in front of me. Yesterday we were also discussing a possibility, oh, this is not the right one. So yesterday we were also discussing a trade possibility here on Polkadot. So I took the trade yesterday in Polkadot, and right now currently already in 2k profit. So that's of course very lovely to see here. But I was opening this one with a 15x here. I mean, I upped my leverage already, and I added a little bit more to my position because I do believe that we're going to bounce anytime soon here. So what we were doing here yesterday, we were discussing this as well in the stream. We can see for Polkadot, we are exactly retesting the previous all-time high. So this was really providing us the very good entry price that we were waiting for. And just like the video I released yesterday as well on the channel. And I always say, put your money where your mouth is here. And I was making this video as well here because I was entering a trade. Because the trade entry, I was not entering over there by then here because I was exactly asleep because I had to set a limit order. But I always say put your money where your mouth is because I was saying in this video how extremely bullish I feel about Polkadot because it's just looking like we're going to set a new all-time high anytime soon here once again, and that we're definitely going towards the $80 in the month of April. So that is the thing that I was doing. So always also opening a trade and discussing the trade as well yesterday live in the stream. So that's of course very lovely to see. So damn it, there are some spammers and some fake guys. Please never add these guys on WhatsApp or so. I think no one is doing it. So that's of course very lovely. But guys, please don't fall for these scammers. There's so many scammers. There's so many impersonators. You want to be very careful because otherwise you're getting wrecked. So someone is saying. Good morning, Rover. Just tuned in. Missed out on your TA. What's happening with Bitcoin? Breakdown of the triangle. And that is exactly true here. If we go to the 1 hour, we were, of course, first anticipating. I will be removing this this line over here. And we'll be making this one a little bit lower. This is exactly true as well here. We were first forming this ascending triangle, guys. And we were seeing exactly the breakdown here. And already meeting the exact price target, by the way. So, of course, this breakdown is not... it's just a likely pattern to play out. Of course, this also showed the significance in the chart, and I do think it's right now done with this this move to the downside. But yeah, like I told you before, please don't be surprised if we're going to see another move down getting created, and of course see then a bullish divergence getting created. And if we're going to create that bullish divergence, guys, I will be flagging all green flags here for the long positions, but right now I should be waiting with your long positions, even though that we are of course seeing this perfect retest. But then I should only enter on this exact level once again if we are touching this level, but I should not be entering over here. And unfortunately I was asleep over here, so I could not be live. I could not give you an update. And of course once I'm awake, I will be definitely giving updates. So let me see. What do you think about VeChain? I feel extremely bullish about VeChain. The current news that is coming out as well. It's looking very good. So good morning. Yeah, good morning everyone who's right and tuning in here. Hi Krish, what is the lowest position for Bitcoin for the long term? Are you talking where Bitcoin is heading towards for the bear market? Because in the bear market, I don't see the Bitcoin going below the 30K. I see Bitcoin never going below the 30K. And if we're going to go below the 30K, 20K will be the maximum target that we will be heading towards in the bear market. But if you're talking about the immediate short term, I think we're not going to break through the 56K. We're not going to break through this level. If we're going to see this bullish divergence playing out here, I don't think that we're going to go below the 56K here. So yeah, everything above the 56K, I mean, everything below the 58K is still a good buy, in my opinion. And still, you want to be looking for longs, not be looking for shorts at the moment, in my opinion, because we're still bullish. We're still bullish in the market. At least I am still bullish, of course. Always have to trade at your own risk here, but I should not be looking for shorts at the moment. And yeah, of course, I want to open live longs in the trade here, in the stream here, but I first want to see some more confirmations before opening one. I just bought my first ADA the last night. What do you think? Let me check ADA as well here, guys. Let me check ADA real quickly, because ADA is also heading towards our supportive target, guys. That's, of course, very lovely to see. So we were discussing ADA already for quite a while here. And what I was saying basically about ADA is that I think that ADA will be going a lot of sideways for the coming month, at least. So for coming month of April, I don't see Cardano really doing some exponential growth once again. Just these big pumps, I don't see Cardano doing it. But what I do think what Cardano can be doing here is, of course, if we're having another touch of this level, this will first of all provide you a very good long opportunity. And if you want to trade, you can be trading it on Femex as well, just like also on Bybit. So if you want to sign up with the referral links in the description, will be, of course, very amazing, because then you're getting an extra bonus and, of course, support on the channel. But guys, what we are seeing here, ascending triangle, if we're going to break down, this will be, of course, quite horrible. But I think we're not clearly going to break down here. And if we're maybe going to see a breakdown, it will be because of Bitcoin freaking out. And I don't really will be trading the breakdown, because I don't like shorting Cardano especially. But yeah, I think it's more likely to see a bounce off this level. And of course, I do want to be seeing another touch on the top side just to call this a more significant ascending triangle here. But what is Cardano right now doing here? We're just consolidating. We're just steady setting higher lows, guys. We're each and every time setting higher lows. So in my opinion, Cardano is still looking particularly good here. Nothing to worry about. And once again, this is what I love to see. It is consolidating, guys. It is consolidating, and consolidation is very important for coins. And just like Cardano right now is doing, it is just having consolidation. And I mean, it's very lovely, because the longer the consolidation will be lasting, guys, the more exponential this move will be, because there will be an exponential move for Cardano once again. And this is also the thing that I love, because we are right now currently in a bull market. And even if you're going to say, no, we're not in a bull market, we're dropping off here. No, we're not. We are still in the bull market, but we are right now with a lot of altcoins. And I say a lot, but I mean, the most amount of altcoins are already popping up. But Cardano, you just have to take it slow here. We're going to see some consolidation, but once breaking this top side, guys, this will be providing us one of the biggest long opportunities that we're ever going to get here. So this is the fun part about it. It can be bringing us towards the $2. Of course, it can be a trade of approximately 25%, 30% here. So looking 40% even. So I'm saying it correctly. So 38% approximately. So there will be a lot of opportunities coming towards us here, guys, and you'd have to know it. I'm already accumulating some positions, but really the big Cardano position, because I will be flipping extremely bullish on Cardano once breaking this top side, of course. But at the moment, I do think that we're going to see some more consolidation. And of course, this can be maybe taking another month before really seeing the significant breakout, because usually you're breaking out somewhere at the end of the apex, and this is of course already at the end of April. So it can be taking quite a long time before we're going to see an exponential breakout. So someone is saying, is ADA on Bybit? Yes, it is on Bybit. It is on Bybit. Crypto.com, of course. Let me check Crypto.com real quickly. And after that, I will be going, of course, into more coins, what you guys want me to check here. So, of course, Crypto.com, basically, a lot of coins are right now just, I will be removing, once again, everything. So, a lot of coins are right now just cooling off. Because of Bitcoin falling a little bit here. And just like Bitcoin is falling, Crypto.com is also joining the pack here with, falling a little bit here. So that's pretty unfortunate to see, of course. But I don't think it's a reason to panic here as well for Crypto.com, because I still feel very bullish about Crypto.com. And what we are currently doing here is still you're clearing the previous resistance, finding it, testing it as support, I mean, and right now having a minor test once again. Not exactly the perfect retest that I was waiting for, but it is looking good here, and still think that you can be accumulating your Crypto.com over here, because, I mean, in the end of the day, Crypto.com is a very good project. And what you're currently also doing here, and this is a thing that I can't ignore here, is creating higher lows here. So it looks like that you're going to create a breakout pattern anytime soon here. And of course, we were looking at lower time frame patterns on the 1 hour, but this is right now for Crypto.com on the 4 hour. And of course, the higher the time frame, the more significant it will be showing. And currently we are looking to the 4 hourly time frame, and this is of course looking like a very nice uptrend here. We have 3 touches on this supported line here, but only we have 2 touches on the resistance line. So I do want to be seeing maybe another touch coming in here and then see a breakout. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do for Crypto.com, and let's see if we can break through this resistance target and of course then move higher once again. But of course it will be depending on Bitcoin. Will Bitcoin going sideways? Of course Crypto.com will be blasting off here. Or if Bitcoin will be dumping, of course, I won't be surprised if Bitcoin will be dumping. Definitely, Crypto.com will be following. But this is the funny part about it. I don't think Bitcoin will be dumping, because I just discussed Bitcoin as well here. Bitcoin is looking good, and it's not going to dump in my opinion. We're not going to go much lower with Bitcoin. Probably only going higher from here on. So looking forward. Of course, let's see. So a lot of requests right now going in here. A lot of requests coming in here. Where can I long Bitcoin? So, guys, I know a lot of people are anticipating Bitcoin at the moment, and yeah, we were of course discussing the long opportunity here, and it should not be rushing into long opportunity. It should not be rushing into longs right now for Bitcoin, because what you want to be doing here for Bitcoin is, of course, we're already found some very good support on this level, but in my opinion, if you're looking for longs, I should be waiting for maybe a bullish divergence, because we can still create a bullish divergence with a lower high. This can maybe take another 3 or 4 hours or so. So please don't rush into anything here. If we're going to bounce to the upside, yes, it's unfortunate because you missed this opportunity, but it's trading. It's trading, and a very important part about trading is managing your risk. So this is definitely a scenario that I'm currently looking at, and I think it's more likely to play out here. First creating a bullish divergence before moving up, because usually a bullish divergence on lower time frames are usually spotting the different momentum shift, and we haven't seen the momentum shift yet. So that is the thing where I will be waiting on. So guys, also we're exactly one more like away. We're exactly one more like away from the 200 likes. Can we smash it up to 200 likes? That would be amazing, because we're currently watching with 200 viewers, and we even already smashed through the 200. So thank you so much for smashing it up to 200. Can we even smash it up to 300 likes? That would be amazing. That would be absolutely amazing. So bullish on the 4-hour EMA ribbon and the daily EMA ribbon. So the 4-hour EMA ribbon, we were discussing this early on as well in Bitcoin. So the 4-hour EMA ribbon, this is not where I feel bullish on. This is not bullish for me. This is looking like that we are, of course, below the EMA ribbon. And of course, the EMA will be right now providing us resistance. But of course, if I flip it to the daily, it is once again providing a support. So the daily uptrend is still in play here. I mean, I'm not worried about the daily time frame. I know the bigger the time frame, the better it will be coming. And also, if I just look to the 20-day moving average, and I like to look at the 20-day moving average because if you're already familiar with the channel, you know that I like it. I love to use the 20-day moving average because it usually provides a lot of support and resistance. And always, once you're above it, you're in an uptrend, and if you're below it, you're in a downtrend. And right now, currently, we're finding support at it. And also, guys, if you look to the daily RSI, this is basically the momentum indicator. So you have the momentum is each and every time cooling off here. And of course, it's not a trend line that I really draw because if you draw a trend line, you can maybe draw it a little bit more perfect. But you can see the momentum of the daily is still cooling off, where we are finding support on the horizontal level on the daily momentum indicator as well. So what I'm thinking here is the momentum is still cooling off here. We're still setting lower highs in the momentum. But it's not over yet. We're going to crush through this. It's just a matter of time here. And I see a lot of thumbs up coming in here. That's pretty funny. But guys, the momentum is still cooling off here. But definitely, I think we're going to break this downtrend in the momentum anytime soon here. And of course, start this new exponential growth in this next part of the bull run, because I think we are right now currently sitting at the end of the beginning, and we're right now going to start a whole new trend here. And I think, guys, the lovely part about this new trend that we're going to start here, and it will be coming, let's say in the coming month. April will be the month, guys, and it will be the start of the new phase of the bull run. But it will be just an exponential growth period, and I know for sure that we're going to reach the 70K, at least 70K in this coming month here. So please, are you willing to sell your Bitcoins for 57K if you also can sell it for 100K in just a matter of 3 months or so? I mean, look at the trend, and do you want to trade against the trend? I am not looking to trade against the trend, and that's also the reason why I'm not really looking for a lot of short opportunities here. I rather will be looking for long opportunities, guys. I'm looking for more long opportunities. This market is about to go mainstream, real money, and that's completely true. The market is, I mean, if you look at Google Trends, let me look at Google Trends. Let's also look, by the way, at Ethereum. First, let's look at Ethereum, because of course I do think that if you look Ethereum up here, and it will be going worldwide real quickly. Ethereum, of course. This is the funny part. Ethereum is setting a new all-time high, and even the interest is not going higher. So that's pretty interesting, right? That's pretty interesting. So this is once again spelling you guys. We're so close. And look at Bitcoin. This is the all-time high of the interest is 100 in the index. So we are currently sitting around. You can see the interest on the internet is just decreasing. People are getting less interested in Bitcoin, and the reason why is real quickly. I will be saying it because we're not setting a new all-time high. But guys, you will be looking at the chart. We will be looking at the chart. And I can make a screenshot right now. I can be going back into this video in, let's say, 3 months. But I will be looking at the chart in 3 months from here on. And I will be seeing a new all-time high for Bitcoin interest. And why is that? Because Bitcoin will be staying around 80 towards 100K. And what will be happening then? There will be a lot of retail FOMO into the market. These altcoins will be exploding. Bitcoin will be exploding. But we are not there. If we're setting 100 in the index, we are having retail FOMO, but we are not there here yet, guys. We are not here yet, and I will be still waiting to sell my Bitcoin once there is more retail interest. I do think we're still, guys. The problem here is we are all loving crypto. We think crypto is our life, but you have to know only 1% of the world citizens are interested in crypto. It's so marginal that, I mean, once I'm walking outside, I think everyone knows Bitcoin and everyone knows TA, but actually, it's only one person out of the 100 that knows it, okay? So please, the time will be coming. We still have to wait a little bit longer, but the time will be coming, guys, for us. We are still here. We are the early adapters. We will be going into the history books because we are here early, but please don't sell your Bitcoin here. Don't sell your Bitcoin here. And that's just quickly a thing that I do want to be saying here, guys. So there's so less people that right now currently know about Bitcoin. And there's so many interests yet to come still. And please, if you're willing to sell your Bitcoin, of course, no financial advice. You can always do so. Once your profit is never bad. But I'm not looking to sell my crypto for fiat. For fiat, where I'm going to sell it to a system, to a monetary system that's completely broken. And Yeah, I'm not looking to do so. And also bankrupt already. Let me see. FOMO tsunami incoming. Wait for it. Yeah, I mean, it will be literally the biggest FOMO ever in history. Once Bitcoin is reaching 100K, every single news, every single newspaper, every single article will be going about Bitcoin. And what we'll be doing? It will be driving insane FOMO. It will be insane. It will be insane, guys. Just wait for it. Love the speech, big true. Yeah, I mean, guys, this is completely true. It's the beginning of the new internet era, and this is completely true, guys. If you were here at the beginning of the internet, and you were, let's say, investing in Google stocks, or let's say, yeah, you were investing in Google stocks. Let's say that. I mean, a lot of people were probably following you, and they were saying, haha, internet is going to be nothing. And only not a lot of people knew about internet, and people were not interested in it because they think, oh, I'm just going to live my normal life because I just want to do it. I just want to make my money. I just want to have security. But we, of course, you can say you're taking a risk. You can say you're taking a risk because you're investing in something. But at the end of the day, I'm almost certain of it that we are going to that Bitcoin is going to go mainstream. I'm saying almost, but I'm 100% certain that Bitcoin will be going mainstream. And maybe it will be taking another 10 years. But I am here. I will be sitting here, and I have enough time here. I have enough time to wait another 10 years. And what can I do in another 10 years? I mean, I hope it really will be taking 20 years, because then I can accumulate even more Bitcoin. And this is so, guys. Are you still willing to wait on the sidelines? I can't stress enough about it. I can't stress enough about it. I can't stress enough about it. Let me see. We need to get mircrypto.com. Crypto coin adoption. I mean, adoption, the massive adoption will be coming, guys. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. The adoption will be coming. But let's go back in the charts. Do you have some coin that do we have some coin that you really want me to look at? Let me know real quickly. Do you want me to look at a certain coin? Let me know real quickly, because yeah, let's first look at the price action of Chainlink. So we were discussing Chainlink, and I want to draw this a little bit higher up, guys. This is very annoying. I don't know how I can fix this. Let me know if you know it. Each and every time that wants to starting on a trading view, it is just resetting my charts. I don't know why. I don't know why. It's just moving it back each and every time. It's very annoying. So I already see the request coming in here. Christopher, have you heard about Swarm? So let me check Swarm also in a second. I have not heard about it. But yeah, I will first look at Chainlink, guys. We'll be going into the request in a second. Also Holo, Aave, I will be going into everything. Just give me a moment here. We're just starting off the stream for exactly 40 minutes here. So we're just getting ready, guys. We're just getting ready. So this was previous resistance, as you can see, but we're not providing support on this level. But I think is very unfortunate. And damn, there are so many coins right now coming in here. This is insane. I was not expecting so many coins, guys. I will be doing my best, of course. Yeah, you can see our Chainlink here. We were breaking through this critical resistance level. I thought, okay, we're probably going to find very good support on it. But basically, Bitcoin was, of course, shaking everything out. And Bitcoin, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can see, because Bitcoin is freaking out here, you can see a lot of altcoins are just following in the red. And I mean, this is, of course, on the daily. But if you look to the 7-day, of course, you can see Holo still performing very good. And that's the reason why I want to be discussing Holo, BitTorrent as well. But you can see on the weekly, everything is basically in the green. It's more in the green than the red. So, I mean, we're still on the uptrend, just minor correction, guys. But for Chainlink as well, I don't will be flipping bearish on Chainlink yet. I mean, I don't will be flipping bearish on Chainlink. And also, if I look to the daily time frame here on Chainlink, and you look at this very critical level of support, you can see major resistance, support. We're resistance, and right now we're breaking above it and finding support on the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin valuation. So this is my reason to also believe that we're probably going to move a little bit higher, guys, for the price action of Chainlink. So let's see what it will be doing, because I still am very bullish on Chainlink, but it was not moving that significantly recently. But it will be definitely moving up anytime soon, guys. It will be definitely moving up anytime soon here. So PP also donating to the channel. You're saying, please, can you look at Harmony? One great team, and looks like it's at the low right now. Time to buy. So PP, let me check Harmony One, because guys, give me a second. We'll be going into the different coins as well here. But let me check Harmony 1, guys. Because, yes, I know Harmony 1 is maybe providing you a very good buying opportunity. Because, first of all, if I zoom in here, and I will be removing every single thing here in the chart. First, if I zoom in here, you can see the daily was getting very overextended, as you can see. But right now, it is cooling off once again, and maybe providing you this buying opportunity on the daily. So, let's see what we're going to have on the lower time frames. Because first of all, yes, we're creating an extremely bullish divergence on the 4 hour. But yeah, you were also creating very bearish divergences over here. So you were creating a lower high in the RSI, and you were still setting a higher high in the price chart. So that was basically the reason why we're also cooling off for a second over here. But I don't think that we are done yet here. So this was previously also providing you a lot of support, this level, because you can see over here it was providing a support, and we were moving up once again. And also, if we're going to fall even further, I have multiple levels that we can be looking at to accumulate some more Harmony 1. But I don't think that we're really going to fall towards the 10 cents, to be honest. I think that's a way to self-rejection. I will be not expecting it. But yeah, let's see what we're going to have here. Because if I zoom into the 1 hour candles, maybe we're seeing some kind of a pattern playing out here. So what you first can see over here is the bullish divergence on the 1 hour. And this is the reason why I like bullish divergence. Because you can see over here, we were creating a higher high in the price chart. We're creating a higher high in the price chart. And what I'm saying. We're creating a higher high in the RSI, lower high in the price chart. This is basically a bullish divergence. And after bullish divergence, usually you're seeing a very stealth run up to the upside. And that's also the thing that you were seeing over here. So I like to spot divergence, but also you're still having a downtrend in play here for the Harmony 1 price action. So this is a downtrend that you still have to clear. Do want to be seeing this breakthrough anytime soon here, because this is of course pushing the price of Harmony 1 a little bit lower at the moment, and I do want to be seeing this breakthrough as well playing out here. But is it providing you right now a good buying opportunity? Yes, you're trading at support, but I mean, for me, it's very hard to say. Maybe we're going to even go a little bit lower to create this bullish divergence on the 4 hour. But at the moment, you're counter trading the trend. The trend in the immediate short term is still basic to the downside. And we are not seeing a clear reversal yet. So if you want to really take it safe, I should be waiting a little bit longer till seeing a confirmation of a trend reversal. But yes, these are levels that you definitely can be accumulating. The 4 hour is almost getting oversold, and I like to buy into oversold, especially if you are here for your holding position. But let's see what it will be doing. The momentum was cooling off over here, so can we be starting a new uptrend? I definitely think so. So let's see what we can be doing. I don't know as well. You haven't seen it. Needy, I was going into your request already. I was going into your request earlier, and you were talking. Let me see, Needy. You were talking about. I went in your request, Needy. I know for sure. You were talking. I don't know exactly where you're talking about. But I discussed it one. I discussed that one. Maybe you were not noticed. But let me know. Let me know, Needy, what you were saying. Let me know real quickly what you were saying. I know for sure I discussed it. But let me know what you were saying. Maybe I was missing one. Maybe I was missing one. So of course, let me know, Needy, what you were saying. So Harmony 1. Definitely think we can be moving up anytime soon here, but still we should be waiting on the sidelines at the moment. Yeah, Bitcoin is bouncing back, guys. Bitcoin is, of course, fighting back here. Found support over here, but I will be not rushing into any positions at the moment because we can still see a correction maybe coming in. But yeah, hopefully it's going to return back again to the upside. Donate it again. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. So, G-Doc, you're saying, do you recommend staking? Yes, I think staking is a good thing. And the reason why, I mean, I'm staking my crypto.com, and I'm also having some coins where I can get some good API on. And that is more, I hold coins also for interest. I'm not only staking, but also gain coins with interest rates. Because I think interest rates are also very good. Because currently at the banking system, at the normal banking system, you have 0 or even minus banking interest, but you have also some cryptos that can give you, let's say, 10 or 20% interest per year. So that's also a thing that I'm doing here to I mean, I'm already going to hold my Bitcoin for such a long period of time, and why should I not gain interest on it? Because I have a plan to hold my Bitcoin for at least 5 to 10 years. And why should I not set my Bitcoins to a certain place where I can, let's say, gain interest of 20%. And if I say I gain 20% interest per year for 10 years long, I'm making another 200%, of course. And I mean, should I ignore another 200% of my portfolio? No, of course not. And of course, I will be getting paid out in Bitcoin. And it's usually, I have a coin. And of course, later today, I will be discussing how I will be doing this, of course, because I think getting interest on your portfolio is very important. Because currently with the banking system, you're getting so minor interest rates, of course, I will be using some coins where I can get more interest. So if you're interested in my strategy here, after this stream here, so approximately 3 hours or so, and once finishing the stream, I will be right away uploading it, and we'll be also saying it by the end of the stream. Live in the stream, I will be uploading the video once I'm going to stop the stream off here, so you can right away check it here. So definitely make sure to keep an eye out, on the channel, because later today I will be uploading the video, and let's see if we can, of course, really benefit from it all each other, because that's in the end of the day what my strategy is here. I want to help everyone out here, and also getting another donation here. Let me check it real quickly. Thank you for supporting the channel. What are you saying here? So let me look at it. So can you check Montara OM, please? Of course I can. Of course I can. Of course I can. And Needy, let me know, by the way, what you're saying. OM. Needy, let me know what you were saying, because I can't see it right now. Rayband, good morning. Oh, you were saying, Needy, you were saying, I donated 2 times. I sent you the chart on Instagram, which I wanted you to look at. Okay, Needy, I will be going into it. You were talking about the crypto chart or so. Let me look at the chart right away, Needy. First, I will be going into this other request, but Needy, I will be going in the chart. Just give me a second. Give me a second, and I will be going into it. Where did you send it? Okay, so OM. This coin, not a lot of information currently about it. So yeah, I see it. I currently see it, Nicholas. I see it. I will be going into your chart in a second. I see it over here. So unfortunately, I can't only show you. I can only show it you on my phone. But yeah, what are we having currently with OM? So with OM, this coin, I don't really. I see. First of all, I right away see we're not having a lot of information about this coin. And once I'm not seeing a lot of information about certain coins, I don't like it, because I want to see more information, because then I can also show you a better chart. But currently, I can't show you a very good chart at the moment, so that's not a thing that I do like to see, of course. Do want to see maybe a break, maybe a touch here on the lower side, and of course then seeing the confirmation of the symmetrical triangle playing out here. But bro, not a lot of information about this chart, very hard to give my opinion about this. But yeah, it looks like that you're maybe forming a symmetrical triangle here, going to break out anytime soon here, and let's see what we'll be doing here, because also you can maybe say we're creating an even stealther downward sloping resistance line here. But yeah, this coin just recently got launched here on Binance, so I'm very curious what it will be doing. Very curious what we'll be doing. So, okay, thanks, brother. I just want to have your opinion. Okay, thank you. I will be looking at your chart, Needy, and if I look to the chart here, yeah, yes, this is looking very interesting, and this is basically saying that we are topping out or so. I mean, I don't really like these charts. Of course, it's very important, but I don't think that we are at the end of the bull run yet. I don't think that we are in the end of the bull run yet here. It's this chart. Guys, you can't probably see it from my green screen. But, yeah, I mean, I don't really like the chart. I can't see also the really significance in this one, because, yes, you can be drawing a line. But the point here is with this logarithmic chart is that you can see the tops are cooling off, and I don't think that we're going to cool off that significantly. I don't think that we're going to top out at 60k. No, I don't like it. I don't like the chart. I think that we are easily going to, not easily, I think we're at least going to top out around the 100k. I'm not looking to sell my Bitcoin yet. Because there are so many reasons for me to believe that Bitcoin is not topping out yet. Just like this, once again. Just like the retail interest, it is not sitting at an all-time high. And I mean, that means that the institutions are not in a very... I mean, some institutions are a very good profit, but also institutions are buying. And usually these institutions are going to sell once the retail interest is the highest. And currently there is not that high retail interest yet here. So, of course, they will be going higher, but it's just still a matter of time. So I'm not looking to sell my Bitcoin and crypto yet here. Still holding, haven't sold any. That's completely true. So let me look at Swarm. What do I think about Swarm? So this one is pretty interesting, to be honest. I don't really know it, to be honest. Crowdfunding, asset managing. It's already been around here since 2018, and that is the thing that I don't really like, because if you bought it over here, you're extremely got wrecked, because there was probably a lot of supply that has come into the market. That's also the reason why it's not pumping so significantly right now. But yeah, let's see what if I zoom into the previous months here. What are we seeing? Yeah, we are seeing a minor increasement. I would say minor, but still 10x or so. I can buy it on Uniswap. That's the thing I like. I like buying coins on Uniswap because you can pick up these nice projects over here. But yeah, it's really hard to give my opinion about this one. I do want to do my research, but yeah, I can't really give my opinion about this one. Sorry, man. I can't really give my opinion. It will be going higher. I'm only starting to go. I will be selling from up to 90k. That's a good choice. That's a good choice. Of course. Okay, look at Superfarm. Yes, of course. I like Superfarm. I like Superfarm. Of course, the information. It also recently got launched on Binance, by the way. Oh, I didn't know that was getting launched on Binance. So can I also look at this? Oh, damn. Superfarm is getting launched on all these exchanges right now, so I will be looking at this chart, by the way, but sitting around $2.90. I was picking this up for $1.80, so of course it was heading way higher. I could have sold it way higher, of course, because I know it was getting overextended, but I don't think that we're going to necessarily dump way lower. Superfarm, not a lot of information about it, but I like the project, guys. I like the project, and also what Superfarm is currently doing. I like what they are doing, of course, working on new NFTs here. Every day they are having these special drops here, and of course they're pretty expensive. That yeah, you can already forex your money if you're if you can get your hands on these special projects, guys. But yeah, I like Superfarm. I think we are just also starting off with the NFTs, and Superfarm is definitely a coin that I'm willing to hold. Rover, dude, happy Easter! You're up so early. That's completely true. Tomorrow and later today, I have some Easter celebrations, etc. So that's the reason why I'm also streaming so early today. Of course, going to stream at least for 3 hours. But guys, I'm being up so early because I think I still want to give an update, because even though it's Easter, we're seeing the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is never standing still, guys. So will I be standing still? No, I won't. So do you think Crypto.com will hit $1 end of the year? I think earlier. Crypto Aaron, I think in three or 4 months. I think people are thinking, okay, that's so ambitious, 3 or 4 months for Crypto.com to hit $1. But you have to know, I do think it's not that ambitious, to be honest. I don't think it's that ambitious because Crypto.com will be going, I mean, all the altcoins will be going very exponential to the upside anytime soon here. And $1 is just a very easy target to reach. Also with the burning, they're just starting to burn at tokens. They're only going to become bigger and bigger. And also, yeah, cooperating with Visa, working with Aston Martin, dropping new projects, launching their mainnet, new DeFi projects getting launched on the Crypto.com coin. I think it is still so young here, and it has a very bright future. So yes, I do think that we can reach it anytime soon here. So you have also this buy future right now here. I think also the marketing team of Crypto.com is one of the best here in the cryptocurrency space, and this is the true thing that is making them so good, in my opinion. Of course, they're not pumping that significantly yet, but there will be more institutional interest in this coin as well here. So I definitely want to get exposed to. You guys know on the channel, I'm extremely bullish on this one. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So is the bull run over? Is someone saying? No, it is not over yet. I mean, okay, listen to me. You're seeing a minor dump on a Sunday, and you think the bull run is over? No, it is not over. And I know, just like Nini, you were saying to me, some other YouTubers are right now causing FUD in the market, and that is a thing that I don't like to see here. The other YouTubers here in the cryptocurrency space, they are trying to cause FUD here, and I don't like that, because the problem is with these other guys is that they will be flipping extremely bullish once again. Once we're setting a new all-time high, they're saying, oh, we're going to 300k. And once we're getting a minor rejection, they're saying, oh, we're going to 0. Come on, no, we're not going to 0. We're not going to 20k. We're not going to 70k. I heard some very, very insane bearish targets. No, we're not. Tesla, never going to sell their Bitcoin, at least for the coming 10 years. They said that in a statement. Visa, PayPal, Michael Saylor, all these big companies, the government, they're all buying. Why should we can't dump below the 20k. I mean, we're even not going to dump below the 56k. Guys, please don't cause FUD here in the market. But we are not bearish. We're not bearish yet. And the bull run is not over yet. Inverse shows on 1 hour. Let me check it. Inverse shows. I mean, no, man. No. Are you talking maybe about Ethereum? No, but no, I don't really see an inverse shows. Yeah, I mean, if you're seeing this like an inverse shows, no. I mean, people. I mean, yeah, I know. I mean, if you want to exit the market right now, be my guest. But then you won't be riding because if you're standing right here, if you, okay, you're made a good profit and you think, oh, I'm going to buy Bitcoin on sitting on 47k because. Guys, we were doing these streams every single day, and we were seeing these insane red days. And we were dropping off, we were live over here, and I was accumulating my long position over here. Where people were telling me, wait for the 47k, and I said, no. I will be not waiting for that level. Because also for just people that are willing to accumulate in the market, they were still standing on the sidelines because they were willing to buy Bitcoin just 2k earlier. So no, I don't think so. Don't think so, and I mean, not looking forward to it. And by the way, guys, massive first-hand shoulders. Yeah, you're maybe. Are you talking about the 4 hour maybe? Maybe we can. Yeah, we can be creating a massive inverse hand shoulders over here, of course, because we first were looking at the inverse hand shoulders right here. Oh damn. We were first looking at this inverse shoulders over here, but maybe we can draw this a little bit more significant like this, you know. Massive inverse hand shoulders. This can definitely be in the play. This can definitely be in the play, and I know a lot of people will be flipping extremely bullish once again on the chart once they're seeing this more showing more significance. Of course, we can be looking at the inverse hand shoulders, and maybe once we're climbing back up here, people on the internet, in the web, will be flipping extremely bullish. But guys, I mean, I'm not going to be bullish at one moment and just a matter of 1 day later I'm extremely bearish. Of course, it can be happening if you're seeing something significant in the chart. But I mean, this is not really flipping me bearish. This is not flipping me bearish because it's weekend as well. It's weekend, and what are you having in weekends? You are having manipulation. So I mean, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. They're trying to what you always see with Bitcoin, what you always see with Ethereum, because. If I go to CryptoQuant once again, I can't search up the chart probably. But guys, what you are having here is the funding fees are pretty high. So what they are doing, a lot of people are in long positions over here, shaking out the longs. Let people flip bearish. Let people open their shorts, create a short squeeze, and go higher. That's basically how these bull games are doing. They're trying to make the retailers bleed. Once every retailer is expecting a pump to the upside, they're going to dump. Once every retailer is expecting a dump, they're going to pump. It's basically always the same thing that's happening over and over again. But I mean, please, this is not looking. I'm not bearish. I'm not bearish on the market yet. Zcash. You're talking about Zcash, Harvey, Dean Harvey, ZEC. Wait, this is Zcash, right? Zcash, sorry. I don't like Zcash. For all the people that are wondering, why don't you like these privacy coins? Why do you don't like Zcash? It's a privacy coin. And I don't like privacy coins. And the reason why here is because I don't think that the bright future is in it. Of course, privacy coins are just the coins that attracts the criminals. And I don't think it's good. I don't think it's good. And that's the reason why I'm not liking privacy coins. And that's also the reason for me to believe that we are not seeing this stealth increasement in price. Of course, it was increasing. It has approximately did a 3x since 3 months' time. But I think there were way better projects that you could have bought into. And I should not buy into it even though right now. I don't think... Of course, it will be going up here, but I won't think that it will be giving you the best returns. I don't think that it can be giving you the best returns. But guys, by the way, just a quick thing that I want to be saying here on the channel. We are currently only 8 more subscribers away from the 30.6k. I said 20 because I'm so used to it, but we're only 9 subscribers away from the 30.6k here. If you're new to the channel, it would be of course very amazing if you're smashing up the subscribers right away here. Can we reach even the 30.1k? The 30.9k will be very amazing if we can reach in the stream here. So if you are not subscribed to the channel yet here, you can definitely do it right here because later today we will be also uploading the exit strategy video here. So looking forward to it. But would be of course very amazing if you're subscribed to the channel right now. So also getting a super chat here from Pandura, and you're saying win please. Love the update. So thank you for supporting the channel of course. So let me check win. Bearish divergence on the 1 day. Let me check it in a second. Which win are you talking about? Because I know Wink is highly anticipated, but there are 4 wins. Let me know. Let me know, Pandurum. Let me know which one you want me to check here, because then I first will be checking this this bullish bearish divergence on the daily. But let me know which one it is. Let me know which one it is. So no, we are not having a bearish divergence yet on the daily. So people are already calling bearish divergence because a bearish divergence is basically once you're sending a higher high in the price chart and a lower high in the RSI. Or you can also create a hidden bearish divergence. But then you have to wait because a hidden bearish divergence is basically a lower high but a higher high in the RSI. So if you're doing, like, let's say if you're sending a lower high in the RSI and a higher high in the sorry, I'm saying lower high in the chart, and if you're setting a higher high in the RSI, yeah, you're forming a hidden bearish divergence. But we're not creating a bearish divergence on daily yet. We're not creating a bearish divergence on daily yet. So thank you so much for smashing up the subscribers, guys. 30.6K. It's really lovely to see. Thank you for supporting the channel once again here. But we are not creating a bearish divergence yet on the daily. We're not creating a bearish divergence yet here. Let's see. Which one are you talking about? Let me see. Was it Wink? Was it Wink? Was it Wink? Was it Wink? That was for a friend Zca's question. Dean Harvey, no problem. Just subscribe. Thank you, Mike. So let me know which one it was. It was Wink. Oh, he confirmed it was Wink. Okay, he confirmed it. So yeah, this coin is showing me a lot of showing you a lot of returns, 200% to the upside. That is of course very lovely. This coin exponentially grew here in the past days. You can see if you look at the 1 month, you can see extremely bullish, extremely giving you a lot of returns. But I can see right away here. I don't know exactly what this coin is doing. Of course, I see it is increasing quite significantly in the chart. But what we are having here is gambling. Gambling, and I think gambling is doing, the sector gambling is doing very good in the cryptocurrency space because a lot of people are attracted and addicted to gambling. So this is a thing that you want to be careful for. But I think a lot of coins that are having gambling attached to it are using, they are doing usually pretty good here. So that is maybe also the reason why Wink is doing very good. I don't know exactly what it's exactly doing here. But Wink is a gaming platform for socialite people and leverage on their native digital assets. So basically, gaming with gambling is usually always doing good. I can't really give my opinion about this because I don't know the exact fundamentals, but I can see here also it has government rights, so the token holders can influence on the development. So that is also once again a thing here. Once I'm looking to buy into projects, I want to see at least a governance token. I like governance tokens because I think governance tokens are usually doing very good. Just like I can see a lot of governance tokens, I can call a lot of governance tokens, but they are all doing very good because the token holders can have influence on the development. And I think that is very important. But yeah, man, it's very hard to give my opinion about this one. It's built on Tron, so I don't like Tron, to be honest. I don't like Tron. It's already around for a long period of time here. But yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. Hopefully it's going to give you some more returns. It grew approximately exponentially here. So it is already giving you very good returns, but I should still be very careful because once a coin is gaining so quickly to the upside, it can also really reverse very quickly. So you want to be still very careful in my opinion. So let's see what Bitcoin is going to do. So Chris Scherer looked up YLD. Seems solid. I want to go all in. And Chris Scherer, then you have a very good video waiting for you because, of course, YLD, guys, I am talking about it such a long period of time, but today, finally, my video about my exit strategy will be released. And Chris Scherer, I did so many research, and I'm not doing it alone because I have some other people that are also working together with Crypto Rover channel, and they are doing some research as well for the channel. Because in the end of the day, I want to make good profits, and the most important part for me here is to be honest with you and, of course, gain altogether in the market. So that is also a thing that we'll be doing, and the video will be released for everyone who doesn't know it yet here. After the stream, I will be releasing the video, and I will be going into some coins where you can gain very good interest on. And YLD is definitely one of them, so always do your own research as well here. But if you want to know some more about my exit strategy, what I will be doing in the bear market, and also the coin YLD, you have to go to the video after the stream, guys. So Chris Scherer, yes indeed, it looks very solid, and it is looking like it will be giving us insane returns. So looking forward to it. Unstoppable domains are great to invest in. That's completely true. I like it. I also got some domains. I mean, guys, I'm already buying. I was in the past, let's say 3 or 4 years ago, I was buying all kinds of domain names for just for 2 or 3 euros. Because some domain names can be worth quite a lot here. So there was always also a strategy to make some good gains. And I mean, unstoppable domains is exactly the same. So if you can maybe get some very good domain names and maybe hold them for 10 years, you can be selling them for, let's say, 10 or 30,000 US dollar, maybe even more, maybe for $1 million later on, because these domain names can be worth quite a lot here. So let's see. Looking forward to the video. Same. I'm looking forward to release it as well. Looking forward to release it. So let me check basic attention token real quickly. I haven't looked into it, and I see some requests coming in here. So yeah, it's performing still very good. It is still performing very good. We first were creating, this bull flag over here. We were creating a bull flag over here. This was, of course, very lovely to see because we were breaking out to the upside, but not really showing a lot of follow through. Even though, yeah, we were increasing in price. It was likely to see the bull flag playing out here. But still, I feel extremely bullish about the price action of basic attention token, to be honest. I think, let me see, you're creating a support line over here. Creating a lower low in the RSI. Sorry, what I'm doing. So you're creating this support line over here. So this one is providing you good support. Was also very likely to find some support over there. We were discussing this level already earlier on as well, if you're familiar with the channel. So yeah, what are we currently having for basic attention token? I'm looking forward to it, but also we were starting a new uptrend over here, but we were breaking it. So let's see what we're going to do right now, because if you look to this trend line over here, of course, breaking this trend line is pretty unfortunate, but pretty hard to say what basic attention token is right now going to do here. Do think, yes, we're starting a new uptrend, but yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we're going to do. Let's see if we can spot some levels of support. If you look at this chart here, you can see Fibonacci providing support at the golden pocket entry multiple times here, providing support. So let's see if we can finally break through the 0.5 level once again here, because this is a crucial level to break through. Volatility, yeah, absolutely lovely. Morning, my love, why are you up so early? I mean, it's Easter, so that's the reason why I'm up so early. So hopefully you guys are tuning in as well here. So Leatherback also, thank you for tuning into the channel. Leatherback, you're saying, bro, where's a good place to get fundamental analysis, research, review on coins? I mean, Leatherback, it really the problem here is where's a good place is always once you're interested in a coin, you're probably talking about a site or so. You just have to search it up. You first what I'm always doing here is, of course, you're seeing a project, you see a lot of people talking about it, and the best thing is, of course, that you are an early adopter. I think it's best to look at some where the projects are getting launched. You can use ICO calendar. You can be looking at some new projects that are getting launched. You can go to Polka Starter. You can be looking at all kinds of projects that are getting launched anytime soon. And then you can be just, let's say, what I'd like to do here is first look, is the developer team transparent? Are they showing who the developers are? Because I think that's very important, because some projects, of course, are getting launched as scams. And I think always once you're having a transparent team is already very good. Also, once you can find them up on LinkedIn and see what the past is of these people. Maybe they have worked at Binance. Maybe they have worked with the Binance smart chain or so. So it's very important to do research who is exactly developing the project and also what the roadmap is. Because if you see that these guys are insanely good developers, usually the project is doing very good. And also you can be looking at the market team. And of course, in the end of the day, it all goes about what the coin is here for. So in my opinion, if you're doing research on certain coins, I think it's very important to look who is working on the project and what the past of these guys are. So Chris Scherer, also thank you for donating once again here. And you're saying, I love to see us young guys getting a piece of the pie. So that's completely true. A piece of the pie, guys. Where we are, the point here is this is the most lovely thing to be here. Of course, you can still take a piece of the pie, even though you're buying Bitcoin at 57K. You're thinking you're too late, but you're not. So yeah, research is very important. Good evening from Australia. Thank you for tuning in, Shane. Never panic sell, please don't do it. Zoom out, bro. Zoom out, bro, if you're in doubt. Of course, always zoom out once you're in doubt. Can you check comp? Yeah, let me check comp for you. See, comp is also highly anticipated here on the channel. So let me check. Comp is recently pumping, by the way. You can see 4-hourly candle showing a lot of volatility here. 8% here in this past 4-hourly candle. Guys, by the way, the 4-hourly candles will be closing in 10 minutes. So let's check the Bitcoin 4-hourly after this. But yeah, let's look at comp, because this is looking like a quite significant pump to the upside. So first of all, what you're having here, very strong supported line that you're creating here, finding good support on it, but also you're creating a very stealth resistance target. So you're basically trading, if you zoom up as well, this is very similar to Polkadot, what we are currently having. So you're bouncing to the top side, lower side, top side, lower side, and right now heading towards the top side once again. So, of course, we're getting pretty overextended at the moment. So, for me, it will be very important to smash through this level. And I do think it will be a very, very major and important task to do so. But people are right saying calling an M pattern. You're talking about Bitcoin. I mean, this one is... it's not really an M pattern because you're already invalidating it. But, yeah, what you're currently having with this one... You are heading towards the new all-time highs here, and this is, of course, one of the strongest levels of resistance. So do want to be very careful with this one, because you can see multiple times got stopped out here. But guys, you have to know, the more times you're testing a certain level of resistance, the more likely it will be that you're going to crush through this level and, of course, smash the new all-time highs. So Let's see what we will be doing here, and I do expect that we're probably going to smash through it, and because we're already testing it for maybe the 4th time. Maybe you can call this a touch as well, but this can maybe already count as the 4th time, so let's see if we can do so. Will be, of course, very important for my opinion. Also going to close this 4-hourly candle in 8 minutes, and thank you for supporting the channel. We'll be going into Harmony once again in a second. Give me a moment. But yeah, the 4-hourly candle will be closing in 8 minutes. And if we can close it above this line of this gray box of resistance, this line, this will be very important for the price action. Because then, if we're doing so, we can maybe find a retest, of course, on it. And let's see what we'll be doing here. Because the highest 4-hourly close was, of course, a minor bit above this line. So we'll be getting it very exciting, bro. And it looks very good. Looks very good. Bitcoin is also pumping up a little bit here. Bitcoin is pumping up a little bit here. And let me also check on my Polkadot trade. Polkadot is doing pretty good here. So it's saying 71% in my trade already. So looking forward to it. So let me check Harmony 1 once again here, guys. Let me check Harmony 1. $1. So yeah, we were discussing Harmony 1 early on as well. I bought 5k USD at the price of 60k. I mean, yeah, that's pretty unfortunate, but you still have to wait. It will be coming alright. Too late to buy right now or buy on the tap. I mean, if you're talking about compound and you're willing to step into the market right now, I should be really careful because the 4-hour is getting very overextended and you're buying at resistance. So, in my opinion, no, I should not be buying into it right now. It's way too risky to buy in it. You want to buy it at the support and not at the highs. So, no, I should still stay on the sidelines if you're talking about Harmony, if you're talking about compound. So, what are you having here? We were discussing Harmony 1 early on as well here. But yeah, you're trading on support. You're cooling off for a second. We're forming a bearish divergence over here. I mean, it's very likely that it was going to cool off here. 4 hours getting oversold here, and it was creating yeah, it was looking pretty good here. Also creating a bearish divergence, a bullish divergence from here on the 4-hour. But it's easy to create bullish divergence once you're cooling off for a second. But I mean, are we going to bounce to the upside? Yes, I do think so. But are we going to really see the same follow through that we were seeing before? No, we're not going to do so because we are right now sitting at pretty high stages. And I don't think that we're going to see, like, this was the exponential growth period. And right now we're going to consolidation. So I do think for Harmony 1, we can maybe see a steady climb here, but not these exponential moves once again here. So yes, it's likely to bounce from here on. If we're not going to bounce, we will be going towards this level around to 10 cents here. But I don't think it's very likely to see. But yeah, Bitcoin is going to close the 4-hourly candles exactly 6 minutes, guys. Exactly 6 minutes before Bitcoin is going to close this 4-hourly candle. Are we feeling excited? Let me know real quickly in the chat. Do you feel excited about Bitcoin? Do you think that we can be moving a little bit higher? Do you think this was already it? Or do you think that we can create another dump to the downside? Let me know real quickly in the chat. And also, if you're already going to type something in the chat, make sure to smash up the likes because we're exactly 7 more likes away from the 400 likes. Would be, of course, very amazing if we can also smash up these likes, guys, to the 400. That would be insane. Ethereum and Bitcoin creeping up. Yeah, it's completely true. Ethereum is also following Bitcoin, of course. And again, look at this, guys. By the way, I was about to talk about the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. And I'm going to redraw this once again here because I don't know what it is doing. But let's look at this here. You can see this line over here. Damn it. Thank you for your super chat. Seller, please. Great project and great price. So let me check Seller in a second. First, we'll be going into the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. Because, guys, I can set up multiple lines of support here on the horizontals. But look at this. Look at this. Previously also got stopped out by this level. You can see it got stopped out here, got stopped out, got support here. We were just fighting along for a second. But if I flip this to the daily, by the way, and just zoom out a little bit more, and okay, we'll be extending this level. 1 second. You can see here got stopped out of here, got stopped out of here. So this level is showing quite a lot of significance, but especially in the immediate short term, because for now, you want to be looking at the lower time frames for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. But if you looked at the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, you can see over here, we were getting stopped out over here. So we were very scared. And what I was telling you guys, what I want to be seeing here for the Ethereum price action is that we're going to smash through this previous high to reverse the trend to set a higher high. Because here we were setting lower highs, but right now we're setting higher highs. So the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation is right now shifting the momentum and more likely to go higher. So what are we seeing right now? We are seeing that we are smashing through the level and finding support on it. So what is likely to happen right now? That Ethereum will be gaining even more to Bitcoin. So what can you do about it now to really benefit from it? Is open your Ethereum position. Maybe shift out some Bitcoin to Ethereum because it looks like that we're going to bounce back to the upside anytime soon here, guys. And the problem here is, if you're already familiar with the channel, I was saying this for such a long period of time. And I don't want to be shilling here, but I will be saying it here because I was saying this already for such a long period of time. If I look at the chart here, guys, we were talking about these levels that we can accumulate some very cheap Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. And we were discussing it every single stream here because people were asking, when is Ethereum going to blast off? Because first I thought, okay, March will be the month, but it was taking Ethereum a little bit longer. So April was the month right now. I mean, April has just started and already blasting off Ethereum to new all-time highs. But yeah, you can still buy your Ethereum. I do think this is a very, very bullish sign what we are currently having here. This retest of the previous high, right now flipping into support. I think Ethereum can be gaining more valuation to Bitcoin. So Brian Lee, thank you for supporting the channel. Did you already sell your position on Shift Network? No, I did not. I did not sell my Shift Network. I'm at least going to hold Shift for 1 or 2 months because sometimes it can be taking a while before these projects are popping off. So first I will be going into the other request here from Seller, from PP. So let me check Seller for you. So after that, I will be going into Bitcoin because in 2 minutes and 50 seconds, we're going to close the 4-hourly candle, guys. Are we going to witness this live together? Yes, we are. So give me a second. So first of all, what are we having here with the price action of Seller? Yeah, you were creating an uptrend over here, first of all. You're breaking below it. So yeah, you were also creating a downward sloping resistance line on the 4-hour. And this was, of course, providing you resistance. And right now breaking down to the downside of it is pretty bearish. But yeah, you can be also looking maybe at the different time frame over here. And you can see, yeah, we are maybe on the 1 hour even a better triangle forming. Because you can see some more significance in this triangle over here. You can see... yeah, we are very close to an apex here. A lot of touches on the support, on the resistance line here, and a lot of touches on the support line. But what I do like to draw a little bit better here is maybe a falling wedge or an yeah, falling wedge is what I will be calling this. So you can see the support line is supporting, but it's going to the downside. A resistance line is also pushing the price a little bit lower. Looks like a falling wedge, of course. Bullish bias pattern going to break out anytime soon here. I do think the breakout to the upside is more likely in this pattern. I say I do think, but I know for sure the breakout is more likely to go to the upside than to the downside. So let's see what we'll be doing here. And of course, if we're going to break out, we're going to go back to this high level around the 10 cents here. So let's see when we are going to create the follow through here. I definitely think that we can be doing it. And yeah, of course, looking forward to see what we'll be doing here. But yeah, you're coming closer and closer to the apex. Yeah, definitely going to see a breakout anytime soon here. I don't think that we're going to move that long anymore in this range. I don't think that we're going to move that long between in this range. So Bitcoin is flipping this 1-hourly candle, by the way, in the green once again. So this is, of course, interesting to see. Can we even flip this 4-hourly candle into the green? That would be, of course, very amazing. Right now, it looks like a doji candle. Not a doji candle. I mean, we don't have a big wick on the top side. So looking forward where this 4-hourly candle will be heading towards. Can we flip it into the green? That would be, of course, very bullish. 1 more minute, guys, before closing this one. No financial advice. No financial advice, guys. Never, you know it. I'm never giving any financial advice. Just open a 20x long on Ethereum. Let's go. I mean, I should still be careful with opening your positions, but I mean... Once opening a position, I should take a low leverage because the point here is that I do want to be making. Yes, Ethereum is looking very good compared to Bitcoin, but what can be happening here, guys? What can be happening here, in my opinion? Yes, Bitcoin can still see a minor reversal, but of course, if we're going to move to the upside, Ethereum will be only blasting off more. But what I do think is more likely to see right now is that that Bitcoin... There's still a possibility that Bitcoin is going to move a little bit lower. And then, of course, Ethereum will be dragged along here. So, yeah, let's see what Ethereum will do. 4-hourly candle on Ethereum is looking pretty good here. But Ethereum is still very bullish. Ethereum is extremely bullish, and I'm not bearish on Ethereum. You have to know it. I'm not bearish. Yeah, I'm not bearish on Ethereum. So, I can't say I'm feeling bad on it. So, let's see what we'll be doing. What happened to your Litecoin trade? We got stopped out. We had a stop loss set yesterday as well in the stream. It was better that we had our stop loss because that was pretty unfortunate. But yeah, I was discussing this this possibility for a trade on for a trade on Polkadot, and of course I took that trade, doing pretty well here. I will be riding this one to new all-time highs, approximately 2K in profit right now. So looking forward to see where we're heading towards, guys. So yeah, if you want to join me with these trades, will be of course very amazing. You can be signing up with the referral link in the description. If you're willing to trade, but always have to trade at your own risk. But guys, we just opened a new 4-hourly candle, and we're pushing right away more to the upside. And even this is insane. We even closed this previous 4-hourly candle into the green, guys. This is absolutely insane. Bitcoin is bouncing back? Question mark. Yes, it looks like. Closing in the green. Yeah, that's insane, guys. 4-hourly candle closes still in the green with a big wick on the lower side, just like the previous 4-hourly candle. This is looking good, guys. This is showing that we are having more buying strength to the upside. Of course, maybe the downtrend is already over. Maybe this push down is already over. But first, there is still a possibility. There is still a possibility. I will be not flipping extremely bullish yet here. I will be not opening my long position yet. But of course, looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. And yeah, guys, this is once again the reason why you want to use a stop loss, because yesterday, of course, we were looking for a possibility to trade Litecoin, but unfortunately we got stopped out, and we had a stop loss set around $207. And this is once again the significance of a stop loss here, because I knew once we were going to see this fake out, once the price is going to go this low, this is literally a fake out, and we're probably going to reverse even more. And of course, because of Bitcoin, we were getting pushed a little bit lower. But this is once again the importance of a stop loss, and this is very lovely to see, because we were getting stopped out over here, but we were counter trading ourselves. And if you watch the stream, we were also telling to have a possibility to trade Polkadot, and this was basically a counter trade, because I had this trade active. I set a limit order once we're going to fall. So I got stopped out of Litecoin, but entered my Polkadot trade. So that's a very interesting thing, right? So it's basically a little bit of counter trading yourself. And yeah, this one is looking very good, 75% profit. But I definitely think I can be riding this one to 80 US dollars. So let's say I set a stop loss at 80 US dollars. This will be approximately a 40k profit. So looking forward to it. I don't think that I will be going that far to the upside, to be honest, in such a rapid pace. But of course, looking to ride this one to new optimized, guys. So lovely to see. Let's see what we can be doing here. Let's see what we can be doing here. So also, if you haven't followed me already here, you can follow me on Twitter. Oh, what was I doing? So you can be following also on Twitter if you want. If you want to, of course, will be of course very amazing. Because then you're it just. Oh, by the way, we hit 3,800 followers on Twitter. So a big shout out for everyone who's following me on Twitter right now. I want to reach the 4K anytime soon. Here will be lovely. So giving everyone some updates here as well. So if you want to follow me over there, will be of course very amazing, because then we can just push the content to more people. And that's definitely a thing that I love to do here. I want to share my thoughts with everyone on the market, and looking forward to it. Okay, but isn't Litecoin still going to pop? Yeah, Litecoin is still going to pop, but it will be taking a little bit longer. Hey, Pat, do you still believe in the 80k Bitcoin in April? See me. Yes, I believe that we can be closing the monthly candle in April very close to the 80k. Like, I expect that we can be hitting 80k. I'm saying 80k is in the book here, but if we're going to close around to 75k, I will be still okay with it, because I think that we're going to end for April between the 70 and 80k. Between the 70 and 80k will be the target of April for me. Of course, you have to set your own targets, and that is also the reason why I will be taking very good profits once reaching the 70k with my trades already. But of course, in the end of the day, I want to be riding them to 80k. So looking forward to it. So excited for the small dump. We're getting an actual head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour buy pump on Monday. And guys, thank you, Shalro, for letting me know once again. Thank you for letting me know. But this is once again the significance that we want to see here. Guys, are you really going to sell your Bitcoin right now? And let me do a tweet real quickly, by the way. Let me do a tweet here. And let me do a tweet here, guys. And if you want to support the channel, you can help me push this tweet to more people. And how we can be pushing the channel more is, of course, if you're all retweeting and like the tweet. It would be, of course, very amazing. But guys, look at the significance. Inverse head and shoulders getting printed on hashtag Bitcoin. Guys, if you want to support the channel, it would be very amazing if you're retweeting the tweet as well, or I mean, at least following or liking. It would be very cool. Going to post it right there. But guys, I'm just doing this because a lot of people are right now currently maybe not in the stream or so, and I want to keep everyone up to date, and that's also the reason why I do want to be following over here, because I mean, this is just a very bullish pattern, of course, and we can't wait to see this again, one getting printed here. So yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait to see this, of course, going to new all-time highs, and this is definitely a thing that we are anticipating on the channel. I already see one retweet, so thank you so much for liking the comment and retweeting this one, because then we can be pushing this Twitter account also further and further. So people are saying I'm not sending, and it's just a weekend. That's completely true. Bruno, that's completely true. We were saying this already. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. But guys, we were already saying this. We are in a weekend. And are you going to freak out in a weekend? No, I'm not going to freak out in a weekend, guys. I'm not going to freak out. So yeah, very cool. 20 likes already, guys. We're absolutely smashing it. To the moon. Yeah, that's completely true, Ellie. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon and beyond, of course. Thank you for liking this insane tweet, of course. But guys, yeah, we are going to the moon. It's just a matter of time. Maybe we're going to see something like this here, and then we're going to move up. I mean, I'm not afraid. I'll be still looking at this, or maybe we're going to do even this and then move up. I mean, I'm not afraid because I can redraw this. I know for sure. This one. Look at this. Even if we're going to this level, this will be still a valid inverse head and shoulders. We're still extremely bullish. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I see a good week, and this is my point. I know for sure this dump will be this dump will be here maybe for a day, but I do think this coming month, this coming week especially. And we were talking about this as well in his previous streams. Of course, we have to survive the weekend first before becoming very bullish, because the institutional buying will be not happening in the weekend, and the institutions will be pushing up the price way higher. So guys, yes, I can't wait for next week. And yes, I think the next week will be extremely bullish. And of course, what we'll be doing on the channel is streaming every single day here, because I think the next week will be insanely interesting here. And of course, we'll be making a lot of updates. We'll be making a lot of videos. Guys, I can promise you already, we'll be giving a lot of updates about the market. I already can't wait to do so. I can't wait to make so many videos. I can't wait to post every single day a live stream. And yeah, let me know if you're going to enjoy it as well, because I can't wait for the next week, because there will be so many gains to be made here. And still, you are an early adopter. I can't wait. We got direction by the 11-year resistance. I mean, what do you mean? You're talking about the chart that Didi also sent me. I don't really think so. Let's see. Waiting Bitcoin to break out for the 1 month trend resistance. Yeah, let's see what Bitcoin going to do for the 1 month trend resistance. Let me flip it to the clear chart real quickly. This one is showing significance, by the way. The 1 month trend resistance. So let's see what we're going to do. Of course, this is the weekly candles on Bitcoin. The monthly is we have right now. Are we going to close this monthly candle in the red? Let me know real quickly in the chat. Are we going to close this monthly candle into the red? And any trade opportunities available for us on Femex. Yeah, Needy, we were discussing this earlier on as well. We were discussing the trade opportunities as well here. But for Bitcoin, of course, if we want to trade for Femex, we want to look at the Bitcoin opportunity. And then what we are waiting for is, of course, you can be already entering your position on Bitcoin because we're seeing a clear bounce. But this is not really a strategy I use, because I want to see the most amount of significance, and I don't want to be rushing into position. So what you can be doing here, if you are willing to, if you are here to make gains, you only should trade at safe opportunities here. So you wait at the market, you wait till you are seeing a good opportunity before you're opening a position. So you're waiting. It's weekend, it's careful, so you're waiting. And if you are going to see, of course, Bitcoin crushing for this level, you can be opening a trade. If you are going to see Bitcoin creating a bullish divergence, you will be opening a trade. But for now on, no, there's no opportunity here. So you do want to be waiting for maybe a bullish divergence that can still be playing out here. You do want to be waiting for a crash through this resistance line to open a position. But right now, no, there's no opportunity. So Dimitri also donating to the channel. Hey Rover, did you manage to check Tencent? Launched on the 31st of March, already did a 10x and still going strong. Hope you jumped in on it as well. So bro, unfortunately no, I did not jump into this one. I did not jump into this one. And yeah, I love to see that you are making gains, bro. I love to see that the community is making gains. Yeah, you could have bought it 73 cents. You're doing such a good job here. Have to read it. Bet is basic attention token is taking off, not selling Ethereum. So let me check basic attention token in a second. Once again, PP. But yeah, Tencent. No, I did not got into it, bro. Yeah, it looks like a very good project. It's very hard to. It's launched on Uniswap V2, so that's what I like. I mean, I buy my most amount of projects that I buy it on Uniswap, because I don't like to have let's say 20,000 exchanges that I use. And just quickly, I want to take a quick sip of my coffee. Just someone brought a new coffee, so that's definitely lovely. All right, good luck on the stream. See you guys on Monday. So, Shelro, peace out, Shelro, and hopefully you're going to enjoy your Easter holiday. So, yeah, with Tencent, it's very exciting, 27%. But yeah, I did not cut into it, my friend. But it's really hard to give my opinion about it, because I can't see any information. I won't be doing the live research in the streams. And guys, I will be doing also, if you guys like the video that I'm going to post later today, I will be doing more of these videos about exit strategies, portfolio videos, extra, just streams and extra videos if you like them. So, of course, going to release this video after the stream, so we can all right away look into the extremely interesting video. So, yeah, looking forward to release it. I can't wait. I can't wait to release it. And let's see. TV Cage, are you in, Rove? No, I'm not into it. So I sell Ethereum right now or not? I have no. Please don't sell your Ethereum. Of course, can't give you any financial advice here, but I'm not looking to sell my Ethereum at this point. I'm not looking to sell my Ethereum over here. of course, you can be selling it over here, but I'm not looking to do so. Hello, what crypto would you recommend for a beginner? I should right away start with buying top 10 coins. And the reason why is because the risk is very low for top 10 coins, top 20 coins. The risk is very low. And I mean, I can talk about crypto.com. The risk is also particularly low here. But if you're new to crypto, I should really start with buying Bitcoin, because then you're getting exposed, and Bitcoin will be guaranteeing you to make some very good gains. Of course, I do think 90% of the cryptocurrency space will be giving you very good returns. But the problem here is, if you're new to crypto, probably you're going to buy into coins that, let's say, already exponentially grew. And that is not a thing that I should do. I should buy into coins that haven't pumped yet here. I should buy into coins that are having very promising projects and just are ready to explode. So don't buy the highs for coins. Don't sell, but buy the dip. That's completely true. Basic attention token. Let me check bet. Let me check bet. You want me to check bet? I will be checking bet, guys. And also, let me check it real quickly. Not selling my Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, I mean, it really depends on your own strategy, but I'm not selling it as well. I mean, I will be not selling my Bitcoin so cheap. I will be not selling my Bitcoin so cheap. And people are all saying, oh, Elon Musk is selling. No, he's not. He's not selling off. And this is, once again, what I like to see. I mean, I don't like to see it, to be honest. But previously, once I was trading at C2A, I was looking at the interwebs. And I was seeing everyone was freaking out, because they were seeing that they were seeing a minor dump, and everyone was freaking out, and everyone was panic selling. And I was, in the past, I was always laughing, but right now, of course, I have this channel, and I want to. I really care about the community, so right now I want to bring it over to everyone. And please don't sell your Bitcoin right now. Don't get wrecked. But guys, in the past, once you're getting more familiar with the space, you're laughing that everyone is panic selling. You're laughing literally so hard because you think, oh, damn, what is these guys doing? But right now, of course, I care about the community. And I don't want you guys to panic sell here, because I want to make these gains all together. And that's also the reason why we're going to inform you more and more and more about everything that we are going to do here. But yeah, yes, the basic attention token is moving up a little bit here, breaking through the 0.5 index here in the Fibonacci retracement. And then there are some spammers in the chat. Probably he get blocked anytime soon here, so please block him. It would be, of course, very amazing. But 0.5 here, definitely going to smash through this level. We can still create a wick on the top side, so I do want to be seeing this fairly close above it as well. Oh damn! I will be blocking this guy as well. I see no moderators doing it currently, but I will be blocking this guy. It's very, very annoying, of course. Please don't spam in the chat. Please don't spam in the chat, because then you're getting blocked. And guys, by the way, can we maybe smash up another 21 likes here? Only 21 likes, and we're watching currently with 1,000 viewers. It would be amazing if we can do so. Would be very amazing if we can smash it up to new all-time high. So yeah, Polkadot yesterday made this quick emergency, not emergency, but this quick update. I mean, it's not really having a rush here about Polkadot. That is looking so good here, and I think still Polkadot is looking very good, and it's definitely heading towards new all-time highs anytime soon here. So if you're not exposed to Polkadot yet here, I think you definitely want to get exposed. I'm already, of course, usually exposed to Polkadot, like you already know on the channel. But yeah, also, of course, in the swing trade opportunity, in the swing trade currently, and definitely will be riding this to new all-time highs. This can go up, by the way, pretty quickly. I think Polkadot can be going up pretty quickly as well. Can be heading towards $70 in just a matter of a few days. So yeah, please keep an eye out on Polkadot. And currently, also, if you look to CoinMarketCap, Polkadot is sitting around P5. But I won't be surprised if it's really going to overtake this P3 spot. I won't be surprised, guys. By the way, if you want to win a mark here, recently I have not given away that many marks, to be honest. So yeah, well, once reaching 1,000 likes, we'll be giving away one. We definitely want to give some more back to you guys, because I currently still have, let's say, 20 marks or so over here. So looking forward to it. Did you ever order a Visa card from Crypto.com? Yes, I have one. I have one from Crypto.com, but I definitely have one. And also, I mean, I will be going into the video of today. Also, I mean, I like Visa cards from cryptocurrencies, because then I can spend my winnings on some projects. And of course, well, why should I not have it? Why should I not have it? I'm a USCrypto.com fan, and if I don't have the Visa card, it's a bad thing, right? Oh, sorry, Dean Harvey. You say you see the messages before us, and then the spammers The spammer CEO. Okay, oh sorry. I thought we were seeing the message at the same time. But I'm sorry. I have faith in you. That's very lovely. Dot to the moon. Extremely true. What is your accent? I'm from the Netherlands. I need a mug. I know everyone needs the mug. Which one do you order? I don't get into that because then we're going to expose my. I already have one. I did not order it, but of course we're right now having some new Visa cards. So 2040 for Ethereum, but I will not go into that, my friend Aaron. Which one I have? But yeah, what you can see over here, 2043 here. So Ethereum is gaining a little bit here. So this was completely like expected, of course. So yeah, we are right now bouncing up from this level. So I do think what we can be doing right now for the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation is, of course, taking another big jump to the upside. And maybe today, I think, especially this coming week, will be still extremely bullish for Ethereum. Guys, what do you think what the target for this week will be for Ethereum? I do think that we're going to see, this will be extremely bullish here. And this, especially in the immediate short term, this is very bullish. So immediate short term, so let's say the 2 days, I think we can see another insane leg to the upside getting created. Bitcoin will bounce to the moon. Definitely. Oh, good. No problem. Dean Harvey, you're a legend. So yeah, definitely. I feel very bullish about Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation right now. You can also see over here, just this minor. This seems like a very minor bounce to the upside, but this was still a 7% increase compared to Bitcoin. So can we see it once again? And here you saw the major rejections coming in, and of course, since crushing through it, you went to a new all-time high. So what you can see over here. Definitely think that we are in the exact same period, and if we're going to take this this previous high, of course, still 31% increase in the price. So looking forward to it. And also, guys, this is exactly this is very cool. This is the exact altcoin market cap. So of course, the altcoin market cap is very important to analyze. So what do we currently have? And what were we discussing? Because I haven't looked at the chart yet, guys. But I haven't looked at the chart yet. I promise you. And I'm right now looking at this chart. And damn, I'm flipping extremely bullish right now on altcoins. This is one of the very important confirmations that we were waiting on. Guys, let's go first in the past. Because this is, I will be zooming out for a second. I will be going to the 3-day candle. So you can see, this is the altcoin total market capitalization. And we can see, of course, a huge rally up getting started. But first, we were smashing for the all-time high. We were over here smashing for the all-time high. And of course, finding support on the previous all-time high. This is looking extremely good already. But then, we of course had this extension level of the 1.618. And this is a very important extension level that you do want to be taking out here. So, look at the chart. If I zoom in here, we of course took out this previous resistance target on already 3 days ago. So guys, what did we do? What do we want to be seeing here? Once crashing through a level, you want to be going up, you want to have a retest before moving higher. So, what does it look? What does this look for you? How does this look for you? Does this look like a perfect retest? Yes, it does look like a perfect retest. So what am I expecting at the moment? I'm expecting at the moment that we're going to see an insane rally to the upside from here on. And you know, the next target in the total altcoin market capitalization will be another 60% to the upside. And that is approximately 1.18 trillion US dollars. Guys, this is extremely bullish in my opinion. And this will be, of course, bullish for all the altcoins in the cryptocurrency space. And already, this is the second confirmation that we can maybe see already the altcoin season starting over here. You can see this chart, the total altcoin market capitalization looking extremely bullish, but also the Bitcoin dominance looking very bearish. So this can be the confirmation that we were waiting on, guys. And this is looking extremely bullish for me. So let me know what you guys say. Post it on Twitter. Post this one on Twitter. Of course, let's post this one on Twitter. Yeah, of course, we'll be posting this one on Twitter. That's a good one. So it will be. I mean, I want to keep everyone up to date, of course. Let me do a quick post here on Twitter. So let me post this real quickly. You guys seem to. I mean, I want to keep everyone up to date here. So let me do a quick post here on Twitter. Total altcoin market cap. Altcoin market. Altcoin. Wait, I will withdraw. Altcoin market cap. Perfect retest of the 1.618. We'll be doing a hashtag, you know, hashtag. So total altcoin, perfect retest, guys. This is exactly what I mean. This is once again This is absolutely, and it's, I mean, people are saying right now, bullish. Everyone is saying bullish in the chat, and I see you guys all telling it. Dean Harvey saying alt season. Guys, you combine all your knowledge of what you're right now seeing. So, you can see total altcoin market capitalization looking extremely bullish. Then you look, the Bitcoin dominance looking extremely bearish. Then you go to the altcoin dominance, moving up, finding this perfect retest of this previous support line. And what is the next target to the upside? It will be around the 47% for the altcoin dominance. So that are already 3 factors that are looking extremely bullish. And then you will be looking to Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. And if you look to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, you can see also on the lower time frame at the immediate short term, this perfect retest of this previous resistance flipping into support. So what are we going to do here, guys? I think all season is right now upon us. We are here. We are here right now. Of course, also for the Bitcoin dominance, we closed this 3-day candle below the critical resistance target, guys. I was talking about this line already for such a long period of time, guys. We're going to see insane gains to be made here. If you're right now seeing this, make sure to remind this here, because I am right now saying this, and this is extremely looking very bullish for me. I am already overexposed to altcoins, so I will be loving this, and I think we can be here, guys. Ethereum can be blessing off already today, already this coming month, because Ethereum will be leading this rally, in my opinion. So, if you want to accumulate swing trades, I should definitely look to swing trading altcoins at the moment, because also the reason why I was opening this position on Polkadot is because in general the altcoins are looking very good. So, will we be resuming the training challenge once the VMX competition is done in 2 days? It's been a while since we trade on the Discord server. Yeah, Nahem. That's true, because I want to give some. I mean, usually I'm right now doing all the trades live in the streams, because I think that's better. I think it's better if you want to join me with the trades, you have to be in the live streams. So I will be from now on, of course, but still doing trades. Yesterday we did 2 trades here. Polkadot, of course, successful trade. Litecoin, we hit our stop loss. So yes, we will be doing trades here, but we will be doing it live in the stream. But yeah, guys, I'm getting very excited for the price action of for the price action of yeah, Ethereum and altcoins in general. That's also the reason why I'm going to hold this one. And people are saying, is Ethereum going to pump an alt season? Yes, I think Ethereum will be leading this alt season. I mean, Ethereum will be leading the kickoff of the alt season. And that's also the reason to believe that we're going to bounce to the upside over here. So I feel extremely bullish. I feel extremely bullish, guys. Let me see if you like this tweet as well here. Yeah, 13 likes. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you so much for yeah, liking this recent tweet here. Thank you for the information. Exponential gains. Wink win. All season. Absolutely lovely, guys. Also, we're heading towards the 4K followers. Would be, of course, very amazing if you're following me as well on Twitter. Would love to reach the 4K anytime soon here. But yes, guys, we are alt season upon us. Alt season is upon us. We're going to smash for the ultimate anytime soon here. Can you explain the crypto.com stake on the card? Yeah, you can be staking your crypto.com and, of course, using the instrument staking with your cards. So it's very easy. I believe Ethereum will be hitting around the 4K at the end of the bull run. I think 4 to 6K is definitely my target to cash out for Ethereum. Good morning and happy Easter. So Easter. Thank you so much for letting me know, Amir, and you as well. Happy Easter for everyone who's, by the way, watching. Happy Easter days for everyone. Hopefully you're enjoying the Easter eggs that you're right now eating, or if you don't already have a tradition with Easter, hopefully you're having an amazing day, or hopefully you're having a spare day at the moment. So yeah, it will be, of course, very lovely. Happy Easter, everyone. Happy Easter. Sell Bitcoin? No. But I mean, what you can be doing is, of course, maybe scaling a little bit more into altcoins, because it looks like the altcoins are right now the leading indicator that are literally going to explode to the upside. So currently in an Ethereum position, of course. Currently in Polkadot position here. I would be loving to accumulate some more swing trade positions, guys. Wait, let's look at Aave. Let's look at Aave. Because I was talking about Aave already for such a long period of time. And I was willing to enter once we're going to see the breakout, of course. So that, of course, already seeing this breakout, perfect retest, but I was not anticipating it. So Aave is also looking extremely bullish in my opinion, even though we have not set a newer high here, because I do want to be setting a higher high than the previous high before already flipping extremely bullish on Aave. But yes, I feel very good on Aave at the moment. Definitely think that we're going to a new optimize anytime soon here for a price action of Aave. So I will be looking around here to see Aave, of course, also growing to new optimize anytime soon here. So definitely also a coin that I do want to be entering on with a swing trade position. So let's see if we can accumulate one right now, because it looks like that we're trading on support. So actually I want to open right now, but I want to open a swing trade position as well on Ape, but I will be waiting a little bit longer until maybe Bitcoin is going to reverse a little bit to the downside. If Bitcoin is going to see a minor reversal still, I will be accumulating the new swing trade positions, but I will be not rushing into anything here. So once seeing something, I will definitely definitely not going to complain about 4K Ethereum. I'm not going to complain as well, but I will be looking to accumulate some more swing trade positions. But of course, already in some positions, so I will be not rushing to anything. I mean, you should never rush into anything. So looking forward to it. I'm not an XRP fan. Same for me. I'm not an XRP fan, but still, I think it will be growing exponentially. I think XRP will be the one to watch in this coming run to the upside, even though I don't like it. Even though I don't like it, I think it will be the one to watch. Let me see. The lawsuit is going well. I know. The lawsuit is going well for the price action of XRP, even though if I just ignore the news, it's probably going to do the exact same over here. So that is the reason why you can maybe scale a little bit into XRP. Of course, really depends on your own strategy, but do you want to miss out on it? And it's unfortunate that you can't trade it because it's almost everywhere suspended. So yeah, I mean, we'll be very excited what we're going to do with XRP. Will be very exciting, guys. Always just very exciting times. Yeah, Ethereum is still fighting back its way up here. So I think Ethereum will definitely be stealing the show here in the coming week. Where I know Bitcoin will be doing good, I think Ethereum will be just stealing the show, guys. I think Ethereum will be stealing the show from Bitcoin. So of course Bitcoin will be growing, but I think Ethereum will be really leading the market. Ethereum will definitely be leading the market, guys. Bitcoin and XRP updates. Of course, already did a lot of Bitcoin updates. We'll be going into it in a second once again. So I hope more Stata Loomis. I think Stata Loomis is also a better project than XRP at the moment. But still think XRP could pull this insane rally to the upside anytime soon, guys. So people are asking, what do you think about GRT? Let's go into GRT because you can see falling wedge where this falling wedge. Yeah, you can even call this an I will be calling this a falling wedge here. Call it a falling wedge here, getting created. Breaking out to the upside, so let me remove all my drawings. Maybe look at some horizontal levels that you can be looking at, because yes, there's also some very interesting horizontal levels that you are getting stopped out on multiple times. And if I set this up over here, first of all, you can see here finding support over here previously, and right now finding support on this level once again here. And even though that we are already breaking out of this this higher target over there, we have not clearly broke out of this previous resistance line that we are right now creating. We're creating a new one. I don't really like the touch points, to be honest. I mean, it's very hard to call what GRT is right now going to do. I think, yeah, we are having still a downward sloping resistance line here, but the biggest resistance lines like we were creating over here, we already broke through these. So we already broke through the critical resistance lines, in my opinion. So definitely, we're probably heading towards higher prices anytime soon for the price section of GRT. But still, we'll be looking at this, guys. Still, we'll be looking at this because this is very important, in my opinion. So yeah, there are multiple levels that you can be watching at right now. Also finding a lot of resistance around this level over here. So this is the level that we have to break through once again here. So let's see what we'll be doing here. Pushing a little bit down here. So we haven't broke through all the critical levels of resistance at the moment for GRT. So let's see what we'll be doing here. But let me also set up this Fibonacci tool. I will be drawing it a little bit better. Give me a second. Let me draw a little bit better. Yeah, this is more like it. So yeah, what can you be seeing here if you look at the significance of the Fibonacci? Not a lot, to be honest, right now. Not a lot of significance. It has to be seen here. So yeah, let's see what we'll be doing here for GRT. I still believe that GRT is going to see a $2 anytime soon here once again. A $4, $2, but we'll be just taking a little bit longer. Just have to wait on the sidelines for a moment. But yeah, just mostly I feel very excited about Ethereum at the moment, because I think Ethereum will be leading the market in the coming week here. Ethereum is controlling, and even though we had a new all-time high here in the gas fees, we set a new all-time high. Congratulations for everyone. We set yesterday also a new all-time high in the gas fees, so congratulations for everyone who is loving the gas fees. But yeah, that's also a thing that of course is concerning, but yeah, of course they're working on it, and everyone is anticipating the Ethereum 2.0 release, etc. And they think that they will be fixing the gas fees, but yeah, of course, looking at it like always. Thoughts on Ethereum retesting the $1,850 US. Of course, $1,850 is a very strong level of support, but I don't really think that will be retested. Don't think that we're going to retest that line. Please check OGN, ONT, ONG, Mana, and Falcon. Please, I will be not checking everything because then probably a lot of people are going to do so many requests. So let me check OGM for you first. So yeah, what are we having here for this coin? We can see right away. If we flip to the 1 hour, maybe we're seeing some more significance. Yeah, we are creating a descending triangle. So of course, very bearish bias pattern. Very bearish bias pattern. And if you look at this pattern, you can see, of course, it has more likelihood to break to the downside here. And because it's more likely to break to the downside, it's definitely for me I'm more anticipating a move to the downside because it's more likely to play out here. And of course, if you're looking for a price pull down, can be heading towards $1.30. But then I will be saying it looks like that we are almost in alt season, so it's more likely to see the stock break to the upside. So if we're going to break to the upside, it really depends where we are heading towards. Probably going towards the $2.30 once again here. Looking forward to it. Let's see what we can do here. Can we see this move up getting created once again? Can we see a break through this resist line and then, of course, create the volatile? So I'm getting very excited. I do think a move to the upside is more likely because the market sentiment is just going up here. So yeah, let's see what we will be doing for this one. And let me also check this other one for you. Let me check ONT. ONT. Oh. ONT. Flip this to the 4 hour. Do we see some significance? Yeah, we had set up this Fibonacci chart. This was the retracement chart. So let me check up this other scenario because yeah, you can see also over here previous resistance flipping into support. Let's see what we are going to do. Are we going to hold on to the supportive line any longer? Do think it's very likely to hold on to this line. Also, this stealth uptrend was not getting supported over here. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Also, previous resistance flipping into support right now. That's also a good thing to see at the moment. And yeah, I do think that we can be moving up a little bit higher. Also, if you look to this one, yes, we are setting a higher high in the price chart. Oh yeah, there's not bullish divergence yet here. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do here. Here we were creating a bearish divergence, setting a lower high in the RSI, higher high in the price chart. So that was also the reason why we were reversing. But yeah, let's see what we will be doing in the end of the day. Maybe we're creating a big resistance line over here. It's definitely in the play, to be honest, that we can be finding some resistance at this line. But I don't really like the chart here. There's not a lot of significance to be seen. And maybe we can set up this Fibonacci tool from here to here. And we can be seeing that we are just breaking above the 0.236 once again here. So probably heading towards newer highs anytime soon here. Good morning, Rover. CryptoCon Science. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in once again to the stream. Amazing, of course. Happy Easter. Everyone is wishing me happy Easter. So lovely to see. So lovely to see. Smart Money wants to buy the cheaper Ethereum. That's right. That's right. Do you still scout for new projects? Yes, of course. Also, later, for the people that are just tuning in here, after the stream, I will be releasing my exit strategy video. And in this video, I will be also discussing a coin that I will be using for my exit strategy. Yeah, the coin that I will be using there. And I think it has huge potential as well. I was not trying to make a gem video, but that coin is really also a gem. And also, some people were doing already research on it. And it definitely looks like that it is going to give us very good returns as well here. So everyone is right now saying happy Easter. So yeah, happy Easter to everyone here in the chat, of course. Happy Easter to everyone. And let me also check Mana for you real quickly. Mana, because I know Mana is, of course, anticipated a lot of people here. Decentraland, I feel so bad because I saw it at over here, approximately 461 cents. But yeah, I mean, I made good gains, but it was going exponentially to the upside. Lovely to see Mana, of course, gaining so much to the upside. And, of course, performing so well. But yeah, what you're having currently for the Mana price section, of course, you see resistance box on the top side, support box on the lower side, basically consolidation. Basically consolidation, what you're currently having with the price section of Mana. And of course, I think it's still looking particularly healthy. And I like consolidation. I like to see consolidation. So touch on the upside, once again here, a multiple touch on the support line. So yeah, what are the good buying opportunities? Buying opportunities around the 80 cents. Sell opportunities around the $1.20. So this is definitely looking like consolidation. I think we're going to consolidate for a long period of time. After such a run up here, consolidation is very healthy for a coin. So yeah, let's see what it will be doing. So Ethereum is gaining so much compared to Bitcoin. Ethereum is performing very strong, to be honest, if I look to the chart. Ethereum is performing very good. Look at Ethereum. It's gaining more and more and more. Happy Easter for all. Yeah, of course. Happy Easter to everyone. Happy Easter, Mr. Rover. I mean, everyone's saying Happy Easter. I get very happy from it, of course. What do you think of Zilliqa? I think it's... I mean, I have twisted feelings about it, but I mean, a lot of people like it, and I don't think it's a bad project. Let me see. Holochain was banging for the last couple of days. Complete Holochain is still, if we look to the last 24 hours. Oh wait, if I look to the last 7 days, Holo is of course the leader. Only the last 24 hours minus 10%, but yeah, if you look to the week average, you see 141%. It's literally banging, of course. It is absolutely exploding, but yeah, you want to be careful when it's going so up so quickly, of course. Polkamon and ShopX will moon this all season. And I mean, yeah, we were looking at the ICO calendar, and you can see here also Pokemon. You can see over here, it's a collectible NFT is almost getting launched there. Or yeah, it already got launched, sorry. So yeah, it ended 3 days ago. So yeah, we'll be launching, we'll be going to the upside. Will be, of course, very lovely to see. But this coin just recently got launched here on the cryptocurrency space here. Can right now still buy it for $40 US. Let's see what we'll be doing. It's a collectible NFT. So Chris Sher, what car do you have? I just bought one with my gains. The problem, I right now have a Golf 7 GTI. So the problem here is I'm probably going to look for a new car, but I don't know what I will be doing because I'm thinking of going outside of the Netherlands. I'm looking to emigrate to probably Dubai or maybe a different place. So it's mainly, I don't know, probably going to sell my car because yeah, I mean, I won't be using it anytime soon anymore, so don't know sure what I will be doing with it. But of course, looking to spend the gains anytime soon here. But the most amount of the gains is still in the cryptocurrency hold. I mean, yes, I can be spending my winnings right now, but also what I can be doing here is, of course, I mean, it's not a cheap car. I'm not saying it's a cheap car I mean, it's not a cheap car, but I mean, what I can better do right now is, of course, invest more and more because I want to. Yeah, of course, make more gains here. But yeah, in the end of the day, I will be taking some profits. But I will be first looking for a good home, and of course, a car is also very important. Good car is important. So yeah, looking. I will be showing everything with you guys. If you're interested, make sure to go to my Instagram here. You can be seeing some personal stuff as well here. I see 8 more followers today. Follow me. That will be, of course, very amazing. But I mean, if I'm going to buy, let's say, an apartment or if I'm going to buy a new car, so definitely will be keeping you guys up to date. I want to be more transparent with you guys as well. So looking forward to share everything here. So will be, of course, very lovely. So let's see what we're going to do. Also, almost 30.7k subscribers as well. So looks forward. I have a GT1 Stinger. That's very cool. But let me know, Chris, what car did you bought? Tesla. I mean, that's really cool. I mean, I do like Tesla, but not that much. But I mean, the problem here is I want to buy a Tesla because you can buy by Bitcoin. But I mean, in the Netherlands, you also have some car dealers where you can buy cars as well with Bitcoins already. I mean, I get loads and loads of advertisements about buy a car, buy us with Bitcoin. So it doesn't really matter. You can also buy different cars with Bitcoin. But yeah, if you want to buy, the point here, if you're buying Tesla, you're also locking away some Bitcoins for the rest of the world because they won't be selling it, you know? And a car is not a good investment, man. That's true. That a Nomad, you're completely right. A car is the worst investment that you can ever do. I know it. The car is the worst investment once you can do because once you're buying a car, it's right away getting less. If you're buying a new car, at least, right away 20% of your initial that you put in is right away gone. A car is a worse investment. I know it, but sometimes you have to enjoy the gains as well. I mean, you also want to be happy, right? And I mean, if a car makes you happy, I mean, I'm a huge car lover. Of course, I'm a huge F1 fan as well, but sometimes you have to do some things that make you happy as well. So definitely taking some profits is never bad. And of course, don't take. For me, it's important to have a lot of in my crypto portfolio as well here, because in the end of the day, I want to become I want to make more gains. So of course, it's only with a marginal position. You're buying fun stuff, in my opinion, but taking profits is never bad. So looking forward to it. Dot breakout prediction. So yeah, yesterday we were also talking about Polkadot, and Polkadot is increasing even more in valuation. Let me check it real quickly. 86 in my trade right now, so it's doing very good here. Breakout prediction. I think by the end of the month, guys, Polkadot can be sitting around the $80. $80 can be in the books here for Polkadot. I think also with Ethereum gaining so significantly. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. So yeah, I definitely think Polkadot can be increasing more. Also because the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin chart is looking extremely bullish. So Mohammed also donating to the channel. You're saying, can you check Holy Chain and Ethereum Classic? Thank you. No problem. Let me check Holy Chain here first quickly, because yes, we were looking at Holy Chain that you can see over here. If we look to the past 7 days with the coins with the most amount of gains, you can see Holy Chain sitting on number 1 with 140% increasement. And you can see also Forger is doing pretty worse, to be honest. Swissberg as well as Chilis. Basically, the coins that were overextended are right now cooling off. So what I will be saying with Holy Chain, I know a lot of people are buying still into it, and I should not be doing it. I should not be buying into a coin that is going exponentially to the upside and right now cooling off. Because what I believe to see here, of course, we're not creating a bearish divergence yet on the 4 hour. But on the daily, we're creating a bearish divergence. So in my opinion, this is exactly the same with Feda. And I call it for every coin because I want to raise awareness and I don't want to be a bear. But what I do want to be saying here is that a coin is usually going up, and in the end, this goes exponentially. And once it is stopping the exponential growth here and cooling off, it's set to have a correction. Because it is getting very overextended. You can't ignore it. It is getting very overextended. Even though the project is so good here, just like GRT, just like other coins, it will be going into consolidation. And that's exactly what Holy Chain will be doing here, in my opinion. So, in my opinion, we're going to go sideways or a little bit to the downside. I don't think that we're going to set new all-time highs. And if we're going to set a new all-time high, we're even creating a bigger bearish divergence, and we're going to move even further to the downside. So, what it should be doing for me, if you're willing to buy into Holy Chain, I should definitely not do it. I should definitely not buy into Holy Chain over here because it's extremely overextended. So, of course, I like the project, but I will be not buying into it because it's just a little bit too overextended here. You can see also bearish divergence on the daily. Not looking forward to it. Oh, damn. You're all talking about the cars. Let me go into the cars in a second. But Ethereum Classic. Let me check Ethereum Classic as well here. I don't want to check it to Kraken. Let me check it. Binance. So I don't really, I mean, Ethereum Classic, yeah, is performing very good, but that's not really my favorite asset. Also, no, yeah, I mean, I don't really like it, to be honest. And yeah, you can see we were first finding very good support at the previous high. It's the local high that we were creating over here. So yeah, here we got stopped out in the daily, and right now we're finding support once again on this level. So can we be moving up a little bit higher? Yes, I do think it's more likely that we are going to move a little bit higher. On the 4 hour, you can even see more significance. But yeah, let's remove all the drawings, and maybe we can see some kind of a pattern playing out here. Because what I can be seeing here, if you look to the chart, is that we are, of course, creating this downward sloping persistence line over here. And since we are breaking through this level, and it can be even draw this a little bit more tight. So if you can look at the chart, you can see having multiple touches on this level, and of course on the fifth touch, I mean, we were breaking through it. So this is of course a trend reversal that we are right now seeing, also creating a higher high. So in my opinion, if I look to the trend here, you can see that we're starting a new uptrend. So in my opinion, yes, this coin will be moving up a little bit higher, and looking forward to it as well. I definitely think that we can be moving quite significantly higher. But yeah, it's very interesting what we will be doing here. And yeah, let's see what it will be doing, my friend. But in my opinion, yes, we're going to probably go to a new all-time highs here because we're just reversing the trend to the downside. So right now, creating a new uptrend. I believe Polkadot can hit 150/300 US dollars in the peak of the bull run. I think it's true. I think that's true. Let's take the Polkadot chart in front of me right away. So Chris is saying, I love GTIs. I mean, Carlos Sainz also has a GTI where he has McLarens, etc., and he just drives a GTI. So I love it. So get a BMW. Of course, 99% is still in crypto. Yes, that's completely the strategy. That's completely the strategy. So yeah, BMW, of course, and maybe an M3 or so. This is very cool. I have a Fluence GT, same engine as a Megane RS. So that's, of course, very cool. Cool, man. I mean, guys, there will be, the biggest gains, the biggest cars are yet to come once we're in the end of by the end of the bull run, of course. I mean, cars is a worse investment, but I like cars. I like cars, of course. And also, a thing that I will be doing here, definitely, that's also the reason why you want to be following me here on Instagram. I will be this season. I mean, I don't know if there are some F1 fans here. You have to know it. I love F1, but I will be going to the paddock pass. I don't know if you guys know that, but that's completely very cool. I'm going to have a meet and greet, etc. I don't know yet. I mean, I'm saying I'm going to do it, but I haven't booked it yet. But I'm looking to do it. Don't know where I will be doing it. Maybe in Abu Dhabi, or maybe I don't know yet where I will be doing it. Maybe in Austria. So yeah, looking forward to it. So everything what I will be doing here. Yeah, once we're going further in the time, of course, I will be sharing it here on my Instagram here. So definitely make sure to follow me over there. I definitely want to reach the 10K as well. Can't wait to reach the 10K on Instagram, because then we can do these swipe out, etc. But yeah, looking forward to it, guys. Looking forward to it. And yeah, that's basically the reason to follow if you're interested, of course, in my personal life. What is your dream car, Rover? I mean, dream car. I think I really like Lamborghini. I really like Lamborghini. I mean, Huracan Performante. I really like the Italian, the taste of it, or a Porsche. I mean, it has to be a Lamborghini or a Porsche. I also really like a Porsche, but I think Lamborghini Huracan is very cool. But maybe I'm a little bit too long, because I'm 1 meters and 92 centimeters. I don't know how much foot that is, of course, but I'm pretty long, so maybe I'm not built for supercars. Just finished Drive to Survive Season 3. Yeah, I mean, it's insane. What is yours, Dean Harvey? Let me know. What's your dream car? Ferrari 812, or the Ferrari LaFerrari is also one of dream cars, of course. I mean, I can't always have to dream, right? Always have to dream. Maybe the dreams can be can come true, of course. I mean, Ferrari is, of course, it's style. I like Ferrari. I'm not saying that I don't like Ferrari. Ferrari is truly passion and style. So it will be, of course, I want to drive a LaFerrari, but you can't just drive it, because you have to have multiple Ferraris before you can buy a LaFerrari. But LaFerrari is, of course, one of the best that there is. I like F1 too. Ayrton Senna is a Brazilian legend. Yeah, I know. Ayrton Senna is, and right now Max Verstappen, of course. I love the show. Can you show us Chili's for me, please? Of course. Let's look at Chili's. We were just discussing Chili's. We'll be going into the Jeff charge, by the way. But we were just discussing it. That was just cooling off for a second, and I do think it was likely to cool off for a second as well, because it was getting so overextended. And this is once again the significance that you are having here. Of course, you were not creating a bearish divergence yet here on the daily, but on the 4-hour. Yes, you were creating some bearish divergence. And what I'm just saying, once again, a coin is going exponentially to the upside, but once it is breaking the exponential trend here, it is going to cool off. And right now we're seeing the exact same what Chili's is doing here. Yeah, we are maybe creating a falling wedge over there, and this can be definitely pushing the price a little bit higher anytime soon. So yes, I do think that we can be seeing a move up getting created anytime soon here. If we're going to break to the upside, of course, it's more likely to break to the upside from a falling wedge here. So let's see what we're going to do with the price action of Chili's. Let's see what we will be doing here, but I definitely think that we can be breaking up of the stop side of the resistance, and of course then move higher. Amer, you got a new car. Nice. Nice. What do you think Forger could reach? Someone said 20x in this bull run. H-Channel. I think Forger will be very good, but if you're interested in H-Channel, if you're interested in the Forger project, you definitely want to watch the exit strategy video that we are going to release anytime soon here. You definitely want to watch it. But Chile is forming this falling wedge, guys, and of course want to talk about the charts more than cars, because I like charts, but I like cars, but I also want to talk, of course, about the chart. So what we are currently having here for the price section of Chili's is, of course, falling wedge getting created. Definitely think that we can be moving up, and of course, price target will be around the 75 cents again. So there can be a quite significant increase, with approximately 50% or so, 60% even. So yeah, let's see what we'll be doing here for the price section of Chili's. But I do think we can be breaking out to the upside pretty bullish. So I do think it's looking particularly bullish. Alamaruda, sorry, I can't pronounce your name. I'm so sorry. Thank you for a £2 donation. You're saying a nice show. Any thoughts on win? Thank you, no problem. So yeah, this is basically what Chili's is looking at. I think falling wedge is the main scenario that you can be looking at for the price action of Chili's. That is the main important topic that you can be looking at. So let me check win. Once again, people are all talking about Wink here, and of course, Wink. I do know what you want to talk to me about. I do get why you want to see me talking about it, because yeah, you are having an exponential growth period, guys, and this is of course very interesting. You're just going exponential to the upside, and this is once again the thing that I want to be saying. please don't buy the top here. Don't buy over here because you're extremely overextended. Of course, you're not forming any bearish divergence, but yeah, you're having an exponential growth period, and I do think it will be coming to an end anytime soon here. You can't go up in a straight line. This is literally not how markets work. Once you're going up so quickly, I know for sure there can be such an insane correction once again. So please don't buy into these big pumps here. I should be staying on the sidelines at least. And if you are right now in very good profits, because I think a lot of people can be in very good profits, I should definitely take some very good profits right here, because it is looking like that we are topping out anytime soon here. So I should be staying on the sidelines here. I will be not buying in a coin that already growed exponentially. I will be buying into coins that haven't pumped exponentially. So please be careful with this coin. There's not a lot of not a lot to talk about, by the way, because we don't have a lot of information about the chart. It's basically right now it's going parabolic, and I can only say you be careful, be caution, take it with caution, because I do think that we're going to see a reversal anytime soon here. Of course, we have not seen the confirmation of the break of the parabolic trend, but I should still be very careful with this one. Bitcoin flipping before I look into the red. So let me see. What altcoin should I buy right now? Please help me out, bro. Of course, I can't give you any financial advice there, but I will be giving. I will be already saying it. Currently I am buying a lot of yield. I'm currently buying a lot of UDEP, and the reason why, if you want to find it out, you can be checking the video after this live stream. I will be right away uploading an extra video. So if you want to find out why I'm buying this coin, even though it's not performing that well, people are thinking, well, but it's not performing that well, but it will be performing very well, and that's the reason why I'm hugely exposed to it. It's always getting the biggest asset of my portfolio. So I definitely think it will be growing to the biggest asset of my portfolio, because it will be giving me the best returns to this coming bull run. One of the best returns. This is also just a good gem. You can buy it on Uniswap. As you can see, 1 inch as well. Sushi swap. So yeah, I should definitely look into this project at all, in my opinion. So if you're interested, of course, you make sure to already look at the channel, because if we are finishing up the stream, and right now we're live for 2 hours, probably going to continue the stream for another, let's say, 1 hour or so. But once wrapping up the stream, I will be releasing the video, because I completely finished the video already. I have it set. I can release it right now here, but I will be doing it after the stream, because yeah, first we will be discussing the stream, and after the stream we'll be uploading that video, and of course talk about that coin, and also about my exit strategy. Did you already did the Litecoin giveaway? Yes, we did. And yeah, we already sent it, and you can also see it over here on my account. I can show you that I sent everything. Also in the general chat, you can go back to it. But yeah, I sent everything. You can see over here. I will be. Let me get it in front of you, by the way. For people, some people are saying it's fake or so. But yeah, we'll be showing you real quickly. Let me show it you. Let me show you. So let me get it in the front of the screen real quickly. So let me see Litecoin withdrawal. Look at all the transactions, all successfully sent here. Exactly 10 transactions. So yeah, we did this live giveaway already, and people all sent me DMs as well. So people sending me DMs, thank you so much, and etc. And we already did this giveaway. So of course, guys, we'll be doing more giveaways once reaching. Oh, sorry. Once reaching the. Oh wait, my screen is right now glitched. So it's fixed again. So once reaching a 40k, I don't know exactly what. I do think that we'll be doing ledger giveaways, but once reaching the 40k, we'll be of course doing bigger and bigger giveaways, guys. So looking forward to it already. So you can already smash up those likes, smash up the subscriber buttons. Will be of course very amazing. Let's see if we can reach anytime soon here. So what are you saying, Kurt? You're saying, can you please check? Wait, what are you saying? What do you think about BNB? And BNB is is a coin on my list that I will be holding for a long time. So Dan, can you please look at engine? Cheryl, I will. Give me a second, Cheryl. So what do you think about BNB? I think that BNB is one of the important assets that you do want to be holding for the long run. And that is also the reason why I'm holding my BNB and not looking to sell it anytime soon here. And the reason why I'm saying this is because BNB is, of course, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange here. And once Bitcoin is around in 10 years, what will be also around? It will be Binance, of course. And what will be also around once Binance is around with their big developer team is the Binance coin. So what will I be doing here with my BNB? I will be holding it for 10 years. And maybe you're saying, well, what? You're not going to time the market? Are you not going to sell your BNB in the top of the bull run? No. I said it already. I stored it away. I will be not looking at it. In 10 years, I will be looking at it, and this coin can maybe possibly sit around the 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K. And that is the reason why I'm holding it right now. It will be giving me insane returns here. I bought already my BNB at $20 and bought it as well $28, $18. I bought it at multiple levels. Accumulated a lot of BNB and not looking to sell it anytime soon here, guys. Bitcoin is around here in 20 years. Binance coin will be definitely around here as well. So that's the reason why we'll be holding it for a long run. It's a little bit of a coin flip, maybe you can call it. But I'm not looking to take profit yet on Binance coin. So yes, my vision on Binance is very good here. I definitely think it's a very important hold. And just like I'm talking about Binance coin like this, I was talking like this about crypto.com. So usually exposed to crypto.com as well. So yeah, looking forward to see these coins riding to new all-time highs. Thank you so much. You're awesome. No problem. So yeah, looking forward to it, guys. I think definitely if you look at the price action currently, because we're also setting a new all-time high, of course, the portfolio is doing good with the Binance. But I definitely think that we can be moving up way higher as well, forming some kind of a bull flag, if you can even call this. People are calling this a bull flag. Maybe there's a possibility that you can be calling this a bull flag. Maybe call this a falling wedge or so, or descending broadening wedge. You can better call this descending broadening wedges. Usually, once you're breaking the top side of the resistance, you are seeing a reversal coming in. So let's see what we'll be doing. And if I flip it to the 1 hour, yeah, you can see descending broadening wedge. Only this less significant. But yes, I do think that we can be seeing this breakthrough to the upside anytime soon here. Yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we're going to do, guys. Let's see what we're going to do, and I think you want if you really want to make let's say if you want to make billions. I mean, it really depends on your financial situation, but if you want to make a huge amounts of ROI, if you want to make huge gains, I think holding for 10 years is the best strategy what you can be doing. So, I mean, of course, I'm going to take some profits. I'm going to talk about a lot about it in the extra strategy video as well. But of course, I will be taking profits, guys. I will be taking profits, but not my whole portfolio. I mean, I do want to hold a lot of Bitcoins. I do want to be holding a lot of BNB. I do want to be holding a lot of Crypto.com. I do want to be holding a lot of Polkadot, even though that we maybe can be seeing a bear market. I'm not trying to time the market with my BNB. I'm not going to time the market with my Crypto.com. I'm going to sit on it. I'm just staking it, just accumulating more and more and more to, in the end of the day, make the most amount of gains, of course. So looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. So yeah, definitely right now as well, the current situation is looking good. Not looking bad or so. Ethereum cooling off for a second. Thanks, mate, no problem. Should you recommend buying into Bitcoin Cash? No, I'm staying away from Bitcoin Cash. I'm not looking to buy it. Not looking to buy Bitcoin Cash. And also, people talk about Wink. No, please don't buy into Wink. You're buying into a coin that grew, let's say, 2,000% or so. It's just a matter of a few days, and then you want to buy into it? Please, don't attach your emotions to trading, guys. And if you want to support the channel completely free, you can right now smash up these likes, guys. Only 6 more likes to go. 6 more likes to go. I mean, 4 even. Okay, 4 more likes to reach 600 likes, guys. Can we smash it up to 600 likes? That would be, of course, very amazing. Yeah, thank you so much here. Exit strategy is buying a Porsche. That's a good extra strategy, Dean. But I have a different strategy because I want to make still some good interest. I mean, I want to make still money in the bear market because I don't want to be standing still and I don't want to be I mean, of course, it's working, but I don't want to be doing different work. So, yeah, so I will be not standing still, of course. I will be not standing still. And yeah, we just smashed for the 600 likes. Thank you so much here, guys. Thank you for supporting the channel once again here. But Cryptical Science is saying, have you already checked Stellar Lumens and one? Yeah, one we already checked. XYO also. But let me check Stellar Lumens. Let me check Stellar Lumens. But guys, also smashing it through to 631 likes already, guys. You guys are insane. Thank you for supporting the channel, of course. Very lovely to see you guys once again. Tuning into this amazing stream, of course, and also then providing all this these likes here. I don't know. This is the best Easter that I've ever wished for, of course. Best Easter I have ever wished for. But yeah, right away we're going into the Stellar Loomis chart. And if I look at the Stellar Loomis chart, you can see over here that we are finding resistance. And since breaking above the level, we were finding support on this level. And that is, of course, also a very likely thing to see here for the price action of Stellar Loomis. So also what we are doing here, we were first creating this stealth downtrend for the Stellar Loomis price action. And since breaking through this downtrend, we, of course, found support on this line. And that was, of course, very exciting because we love this the significance in the chart. But that is, of course, already in the past. And what we are doing here, we are consolidating around this level. And this is usually a thing that Stellar Loomis does here. So you can see here, push up, consolidation to the downside. Push up, consolidation to the downside. Push up, consolidation to the downside. What are we going to do now? I think push up is very likely. And also the thing that we are doing usually, just like you can see over here, we're finding support at the previous resistance target. So here we found the exact same support at the previous resistance. So what is likely to do right now for the price action of Stellar Loomis? Maybe we need another test on the top side, but I do think this box on the top side will be a very important level to break for the Stellar Loomis. So yeah, definitely let's see what Stellar Loomis will be doing here. I do think that we are right now starting maybe a new trend up here. We are taking this previous high already out here, so we're starting an uptrend. Also forming a supportive line here to the upside on the 4 hour. Finally starting a new uptrend. I do think Stellar Loomis can be gaining a lot of momentum anytime soon as well. Maybe a rising wedge is playing out. Of course, very bearish bias pattern, but I don't think that's really the pattern that we should be looking for. Not a lot of patterns playing out right now. If you just look at supported resistance, I think it is more likely to see Stellar Loomis moving up to the upside, especially because the altcoin season is very close. If we look to the altcoins, if we look to the total market capitalization, everything is looking very good, bullish, just like we talked about here on the Twitter page. Thank you also for all hitting that like button here on the Twitter page. Truly cool that you are doing so. And also, if you have some questions for me on Twitter, I mean, I usually go to the mentions as well here. If you mention me something, I will be going into it. I usually react to it as well here. So definitely make sure to send me a request over here as well. Engine. I will be going into Engine after this, Cheryl. I will be going into Engine after this. So if you haven't followed me already on Twitter, it would be, of course, very amazing. Can we reach the 4K followers by the end of the next week? Wait, what I'm saying? I was saying by the end of the week, but we are already by the end of the week, so I don't think that we're going to reach that. But can we reach the 4K followers by the end of the next week? So that would be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. But yeah, I think Stellar Loomis can be moving up quite significantly. But let's check Engine real quickly, because people are also anticipating Engine. Of course, Cheryl, you are doing the same. What is Engine doing? Just like Achilles, just like a lot of other coins, exponential growth, breaking this exponential curve. And since breaking this exponential growth curve, you can see it is cooling off. So, was it likely to expect for Engine coin? Yes, because no coin goes up for a straight line. We were creating a falling wedge here. Since creating the falling wedge, we did not clearly reach the top price target. So yeah, you were creating this downward sloping support line, downward sloping resistance line here. A falling wedge was created. So no, we did not clearly meet our price targets. But what we are doing right now is, of course, starting a new trend here. So yeah, what are we doing here? Let me quickly look at this, because yes, we can be seeing that we are starting a new uptrend here, multiple touches on this level, and I definitely love to see this. So we have a one touch over here, another touch over here, and right now having another touch over here. So basically, yes, we are still setting higher lows in the immediate short term. This is, of course, looking very good, but also you're still having a downward sloping resistance line over here. You can see we are pushing still the price a little bit lower. So are we in a pattern? Yes, you can maybe call this a symmetrical triangle here. You can see multiple touches on the top side, 4 touches on the top side. Also a lot of touches on the lower side here. So what I do think what we can be seeing here is, of course, a breakout anytime soon here for the price action. So lovely to see here. Definitely think that we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. Do think it's more likely to move to the upside as well for Engine, because we are just extremely bullish on altcoins right now. So yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to it, and definitely think that we can be seeing another move going to create anytime soon here. And of course, the end of this pattern, the apex is, of course, the 8th of April. So coming 4 days, very exciting for Engine. Very, very exciting for Engine, and definitely think that we can be moving up quite significantly to the upside. But yeah, guys, I see a lot of people. Sorry, thought you forgot. No problem, Shower. Always nice. But guys, the problem here in the cryptocurrency space here, also on YouTube, I want you to be careful, because these bots are getting so smart. And I'm not saying that there are no bots or scammers in it yet, but guys, there are bots that are getting very smart, and they're also in YouTube chats. They're hyping up certain projects, but you have to be careful to research before you're buying certain coins, because there are so many coins right now, scams. There are so many coin scams right now. There are certain coins that are getting pumped by YouTubers. There are certain coins, yeah, they're for paid promotions because you want to be careful. I'm not looking to do so. I'm not doing that. So of course, once I'm having some kind of a paid promotion, so I will be saying it to you guys. But everything what I'm saying is purely honest out of my heart. But you have to be careful. There are some coins that you can't trust. You do have to do your own research. You want to be careful because a lot of scam projects and you can be getting wrecked. And this is the thing that I'm not looking to do with the community here. I'm looking to build a strong community and not trying to scam my community. So please be careful. First, look what you're buying because there are, of course, so many cryptocurrencies right now currently available. 19,100, but at least 5% is a scam. So please be careful, guys, before buying into it. Let me see. Let me see what you guys have for me. Hi, bro, for new here, enjoying the 5K. Please look at Litecoin if you haven't done so. So thank you for tuning into the channel here. I see a lot of new people are also tuning into the channel. I mean, we'll almost have the 30.7K as well here. So let me check Litecoin for you, of course. I love to see Litecoin playing because, yeah, we were looking for a trade possibility for Litecoin. Yeah, but we're seeing the breakout, but not really supporting this breakout. So we have to redraw this line a little bit here. But, yeah, you can see getting a rejection. But still, this also thing, guys, we are right now not in a trade of Litecoin. But what we can be doing here is, of course, we can see only more significance playing out for the price action of Litecoin right now. You can see only another rejection, so you can call this exactly one of the most beautiful symmetrical triangles that I have been seeing here for the past while here. So, of course, I will be redrawing this one a little bit here, guys. But still, I feel extremely bullish about Litecoin. Of course, I got stopped out of the trade, but right now we'll be looking for a new trade. But I still feel extremely bullish about Litecoin. I definitely think we can be moving up quite significantly, and the $300 is still in the play for Litecoin in the coming month of one or two. So make sure, if you're not exposed yet here, you can easily make a 50% flip if you're just buying here to hold it. I think your 50% flip can be here in, let's say, a matter of a month or two. I do think it will rather be reached in 1 month already because I think Ethereum will be seeing a 50% increasement. Polkadot will be seeing it, Litecoin as well. So yes, I feel extremely bullish on Litecoin. I feel extremely bullish and seeing a lot of significance. 1, 2, 3 touches on the lower side. 1, 2, 3 touches on the top side. This is a perfect symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour, guys. Can't wait to trade this. Can't wait to trade this. Let's see once we are getting the opportunity, of course. I can't wait to trade this, guys. Literally a very lovely pattern to trade, of course. I will be also keeping an eye out on this one. Of course, I will be keeping an eye out on this one, guys. So let's see. Ethereum is still finding its way back up here. Let me. Oh damn it! What am I doing? I don't know what. It was glitching a little bit. Ethereum retesting the EMA ribbon and the previous ultimate. Yeah, guys. We are extremely bullish on Ethereum at the moment. You can see, indeed, thank you for reminding me. 4-hour retest of the EMA. 4-hour retest of the EMA. This is looking good. Also, retest of the previous 4-hourly close. So, I definitely think that we are looking very strong for Ethereum. Damn, why is my trading view? Sometimes it's just a little bit weird. I don't know what it is doing. Or it's just me that is being weird. But, guys, I feel extremely bullish on the Ethereum price action. Also on Polkadot, as you can see here, doing this trade, 85% already, making good gains over the night, setting my limit order. I mean, the retest of the all-time high is a retest that you do want to be having here. And I definitely think it will be moving up way higher. Just like all the coins, everything is coming together here. Also, this chart over here, the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, extremely bullish, looking good here. Can't wait to see this breakout playing out here, guys. This will be getting very exciting. This will be getting very exciting, of course. No answer on Dent. We already checked Dent here earlier in the stream. BNB pump, so also look at BNB. But in general, altcoins are looking very good. Altcoins are looking very good at the moment, and I can't wait to see when it is going to blast off, of course, to the upside. But yeah, I feel very good on Ethereum. I feel very, very good on Ethereum. Especially because of the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, of course. This is the chart that's really convincing me at the moment. So let me check real quickly what you guys want me to see. Head and shoulders on Bitcoin. Yeah, we were already. If you're also follow me on Twitter, if you also follow the channel on Twitter, You can see over here we were also talking about the head and shoulders that we're possibly going to see for Bitcoin, and of course inverse head and shoulders, extremely bullish. Can't wait to see this playing out here. Just have to wait a little bit longer, guys, so we're going to see this breakout, because the breakout will be coming. And of course, keeping you guys up to date as well on the Twitter page. See, everyone is liking the video. Everyone is retweeting as well, so thank you so much for supporting the channel. I mean, let me also look at the comments real quickly. PonyX, what do you think? Let me check PonyX for you, Masters. Let me check PonyX for you, by the way. A lot of people are talking about PonyX recently as well here, but let me check PonyX. What are they doing? What are they doing? So many PonyXs. So yeah, what is it doing? It's of course increasing pretty significantly in the chart. NPXS. So yeah, PonyX, we'll be looking at the chart. Wait, let me redraw this. Oh damn it. MPX. Wait, what it was? Let me check it real quickly. MPXS. Yes, I was typing it correctly. So yeah, PonyX, of course. What is it doing? My chart, it's so weird. Maybe I have to restart my training view real quickly. Sometimes I have these glitches in training view. I don't know why. I sometimes have some glitches in training view. I find it very annoying. But yeah, I have to deal with it. I think every time I'm using Control Z, it's just going crazy. So yeah, maybe I have to reload my site real quickly in a second. But of course, that's a problem for me and not for you. So yeah, let's see what we're doing here. You're forming an upward sloping resistance line here. Is Dogecoin a scam? No. I quote tweeted you. Thank you so much, San Diego. But yeah, yeah, what we are currently having here is of course multiple supportive line that we can be looking at. You're creating a supportive line over here. But damn it, I just pressed the Control Z button once again. Reload the site. Let me reload it real quickly because usually this works. Sorry so much for me being like this. Let me check real quickly if this right now working once again, because it's getting very annoying. Yeah, it's working once again, so thank you so much for waiting. But yeah, what are we currently having here? Of course, we're finding some support at this level over here. You can even make this a little bit better. You can see we're finding support at this gray box here. If we're going to reverse to the lower sides, I definitely think that we will be finding support as well over here. Don't think that we're going to easily reach that target, to be honest. Also, yeah, we're forming this upward sloping support resistance line that I'm looking at PonyX. I mean, it's really hard to give my opinion about this one, because what I'm seeing currently is as well that we are creating each and every time lower highs in the RSI, where we are still setting higher highs in the price chart. So they're forming all kinds of bearish divergence. So I do think that we're yeah, by the end of this phase at the moment. So I do think that we're going to see a cool-off period or a move to the downside getting created, because yeah, we're creating so many bearish divergence, and I do want to be careful with PonyX at the moment. Also on the daily, creating a bearish divergence, setting a higher high in the price chart, lower high in the RSI. It's very easy to spot here. So yeah, definitely want to be careful with this one. So let's see what it will be doing. Definitely want to see what it will be doing, guys. They've been consolidating from 1,000 to 1. Which coin are you talking about? What are your thoughts of Uniswap? Extremely bullish. Uniswap is also definitely, maybe it can be the exchange killer. I think Uniswap can be the exchange killer. Because in the end of the day, the idea behind Uniswap is very good. Only the gas fees are just holding back Uniswap, in my opinion. But Uniswap is a coin that you want to get exposed to, because it has so many potential, in my opinion, especially once Ethereum 2.0 comes out here. The swaps are getting cheaper, and I definitely think it can be the exchange killer, because the fees can be so low. The fees can be so low where the exchanges are asking so many. So I think it can be the exchange killer. So definitely also exposed to Uniswap, of course. I think you want to be exposed to Uniswap as well. I'm just passionate about crypto. That's completely true. It's my life work. I can't. Once I'm in bed, I think about crypto. Once I'm outside, I think about crypto. Once I'm talking with friends, I'm talking crypto. I'm always talking crypto. I always see charts in front of me. I may be addicted to it, but it's also passion. It's passion. It's truly passion, guys. Let me check it. Uniswap, ew. Nah, man, Uniswap is good. I don't know. Let me know who likes Uniswap. I mean, of course, definitely Uniswap will be going at least to $50, at least to $100. 50, what's the $100 is at least reachable for Uniswap. Ethereum is still gaining. Ethereum is still gaining, and I love to see it. I definitely love to see it. Just like Polkadot is also increasing in valuation. Let me see. I'm exposed to this greatly channel. That's very cool, San Diego. Are you going to do a giveaway today? Yes, I will be doing a giveaway. But only once reaching the 1,000 likes, because we have to set goals. But I don't think that we're going to reach it. It's also Easter, and I do get it. But yeah, we're not going to do it today. Of course, tomorrow will be just another giveaway, right? So of course, we'll be trying to do daily giveaways. Look at the fake crypto rover right now in the chat. Please don't fall for it. I will be never. I mean, I'm getting so annoyed by all these fake crypto rovers, etc. But there are so many of them, and I can't really stop it. Guys. It's very hard to stop it. It's very hard to stop. So let me check real quickly. It's time for Jazz to explode. Probably will. By the way, guys, let me talk about the dollar index. Because people. We all know the dollar index. And it is one of the most important indexes that we have to look at, because the dollar index is, of course, one of the biggest enemies of Bitcoin. And yeah, I mean, want to be careful with this one. And the reason why you want to be careful with this one, the dollar index is just, like I told you before, the biggest enemy of Bitcoin. And the reason why I'm saying it, because once the dollar index is going higher, we see Bitcoin dropping off a little bit. But what are we seeing right now? We're seeing for the past, let me see exactly how much days it are. For the past 40 days, we're seeing an uptrend getting started for the dollar index. Where we were still in a huge downtrend, but right now it looks like that we're reversing it. So you can all see we are breaking through this critical level of resistance and testing it as support. And people are all asking me in the streams, Dan, Crypto Rover, why is the dollar index increasing? Where they are just, if I go to the M2 money stock, if I go to the money stock over here, look at this. It is even discontinued. And what does it mean? What does this mean, guys? This means that we currently can't see the information anymore how much dollars the Fed is printing. And just quickly want to educate you guys. Look at this. This is the circulating money. This is the M2 money stock. This is the money that they are printing. So they are printing more and more money each and every day here. But since a few days ago, they thought, okay, wait, we're not going to say how much money we're going to print anymore, because first we could always see it, but right now you can't see how much money they're printing. And what does this tell us? This tells us two things here. The first thing is that they are scared that people are knowing it, and the second thing is, that they just don't want us to see this. And I totally get it, because if the retailers are seeing this, and I know some people, the smart money is looking to this, and the smart money, just like Tesla, is buying stores of values. Just like Tesla, not only Tesla, and also PayPal, Visa, they are securing their gains and securing the wealth of their company in store of values. I say not only Bitcoin is not the best store of value. I mean, I do think it's the best one, but you also can buy gold. That's definitely a good thing, because then you're also securing the wealth of your company. But I think Bitcoin, of course, will be giving you better returns, and I just like the digital aspect from it. But yeah, you can see so much money is getting printed, guys. It is going completely nuts. It is not looking good for the. It's not looking good for the. For the Fed. It's not looking good for the economic system right now. So that is also the reason. This is very weird, because we can still see the dollar index is increasing where we are spending so much money. This is weird, right? But then I will be not saying it because otherwise I will be getting, I can't say it because otherwise I get it. Probably a lot of people don't understand, but please say it in chat or so. But yeah, because of the fees getting getting delivered to a lot of people, there is a lot of faith returning into the market. So because the faith is returning into the market, you can see the dollar index is increasing, where we are still printing so much dollars. So what will be happening here? This is basically a run-up. Of course, we're finding support at a very critical level, and we're probably going to go a little bit higher. But in the end of the day, we will be going higher, but there will be a major correction. There will be a major correction in the dollar index, and we're going to see something like this here. Maybe going to see a stealth up run, but then a huge correction. I definitely think that this is in the books what we're going to see here. But this was, of course, because of the epidemic. But guys, right now we are seeing the faith returning in the market, but it won't be taking long. We're going to see a huge reversal. Definitely think we can be going a little bit higher, because we're right now clearing very critical levels of resistance. But it doesn't make sense, right? It doesn't make sense. We're printing so many money. We're not being transparent anymore. printing money, printing like never before. You can see exponential growth in the printing, and yeah, guys, this is truly historic because the dollar is absolutely going to zero. I don't want to say it. I don't like to say it, but it is absolutely going to zero. I do think it can be maybe going to let's say 94 points. But after that, we can be seeing a huge correction. And of course, once we're seeing this huge correction, this will be very big for Bitcoin. But yeah, right now we just have to hold tight here because I definitely think that we can be moving a little bit higher here because we're clearing this critical level. And of course, if we're moving higher, this will be very bad for the cryptocurrency space in the immediate short term. But in the long term, it won't be it won't be mattering for Bitcoin. So in the meantime, where I'm talking about this, you can see Bitcoin is moving up significantly, almost 58K once again. Guys, we're moving up. Let's go. We're moving up once again. Ethereum 2051. 2051 right now. Yeah, people, you get it. You get it. How will the CME gap be on the Monday? So people are talking about the CME gap, and this is also the reason why I do think, yes, Bitcoin can be moving up. Bitcoin can be moving up right now on the Sunday, and if we're not going to do it, we're going to move up on the Monday. So if you look to the futures chart, let me get it in front of you. This futures closed at 60K. Right now, currently sitting around 57.7K. So we're going to create a gap from 2.3K to the upside. So, of course, still have this gap on the lower side as well. Don't think that we necessarily have to fill it. But, of course, gap to the upside will be only... I will be ignoring these gaps, but I definitely think that we will be moving up to the upside. But, yes, we are creating a gap to the upside. Let's see once we're going to fill it. Definitely think that we even... don't necessarily have to make a gap because on this Sunday, on this Easter day today, we can even push to the upside once again and maybe head towards the 60K and see no gap getting created. So yeah, let's see what we'll be doing here for the Bitcoin chart. Is it good time to buy Bitcoin right now? Definitely good time to buy Bitcoin. Definitely a good time to buy Bitcoin. It's never too late right now. So yeah, make sure to do it. Of course, no financial advice. The dollar is going to zero. I mean, we can be saying that. We can be saying the dollar is going to zero. Don't like to say it, to be honest, because probably a lot of people are getting in a very unwealthy scenario. And I don't like to say it. I do want to see the whole world, yeah, working good, working together, etc. But probably it's in the end, it is yeah, it is inevitable. We can't avoid this economic crisis, and there will be a lot of people that will be getting hurt. And in retrospect, it was inevitable. Yeah, just these Elon quotes, of course. But yeah, I mean, guys, that's the reason. Why do you want to sell your Bitcoin? I mean, people are right now selling their Bitcoin, and the funny part about it, that these people that are right now selling their Bitcoin, they're selling their Bitcoins for US dollars or for euros. They're selling it back to fiat. And of course, you can make your own decision, but why should I sell it back to fiat? No, I should not do that. I will be never selling it for fiat, guys. Of course, I have to do so if I have to buy an apartment or so, or I have to buy a house. But then I will be, if I sell to fiat, I will right away buy a house or buy something with it, because otherwise I will be losing my buying strength. And that is not a thing that I want to do here on the channel. Guys, that is not a thing that I don't want to do here. That's definitely a thing that is not on my my note list, what I want to do here. So, yeah, people are saying F the dollar. Bitcoin for president, of course. CME gap on Ethereum. Yeah, we will be also creating a CME gap on Ethereum. That's completely true. When you close a trade on Uniswap, do you swap it for Ethereum? Yes. Well, I mean, you're probably not talking about trade trading, but yeah, once I'm buying something on Uniswap, I first send my Ethereum. You have to do it. I'm not using wrapped Ethereum. I will be just sending my Ethereum to there, and of course over there, I will be buying another projects with my Ethereum. Should I buy Ethereum? I mean, it looks very good here. It looks very good. It looks like we're probably going to blast off anytime soon here to the upside. And someone is right now talking, Jeff. You're right now asking me, how are you going to sell your Bitcoins by the end of the bull run? That is very interesting, because exactly, I think I will be wrapping up the stream anytime soon here, guys. But once, you will have to wait here, because once wrapping up the stream, I will be posting this video. I will be doing it right now, maybe in a minute or 5 or so. Once I'm wrapping up the stream, I will be uploading my exit strategy video where I will be talking you guys through how I will be exiting this bull market, because it will be a point that we have to take some profits, and also how I will be doing it. So also, if you have some questions in that video, make sure to drop them in the comments, because I will be trying to react to every single comment, of course. I will be doing my best. So definitely make sure to watch that. And guys, by the way, I see that we're only 13 more subscribers away from the 13.7k here. Can we smash it up to 30.7k? That will be, of course, an insane target if we can reach it. And also, could not find that you were talking about XYO. What do you find about this coin? I think I will be talking about it for you once again then. But yeah, Oxygen. I mean, yeah, I don't really know a lot about this one. To be honest, this is once again, there are so many projects coming up here, and yeah, what do I really think about it? I do like to buy into DeFi projects. That is one thing that I know for sure. So yeah, you can be buying into it, but I mean, I can't really give my fundamental thoughts about this one. I mean, there's so many coins recently getting launched here, and of course, the circulating supply is 1%. So many supplies still yet to come here, so definitely there will be a lot of inflation on this coin, so you want to be careful with holding this one for a longer period of time. So yeah, want to be careful, bro. Want to be careful. Guys, 300 more likes and we can do the giveaway. But Krypton Aaron, unfortunately, I don't think that we can be reaching it, because I also have to head out here. Of course, it's Easter. Still have some things on the board to do. So that's the reason why. But yeah, that is also why I will be releasing just this video after the stream. This is also the reason why I will be releasing this video after the stream, guys. So I think I will be ripping up the stream right now. And guys, so if you want to see the video, I will be uploading it right now. I will be making it public here. So yeah, very amazing that everyone was watching to the stream, of course. And right now I'm right now working on it. I will be publishing the video about the exit strategy right now here on the channel. So if you're interested right now, make sure to go make sure to go to the channel here, and I'm going to upload it right here, and like this. So yes, I uploaded here. So guys, if you want to see the exit strategy video, I don't know why it's standing over here, but it's standing over here. You can watch it right now. Would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. So I'm talking about my exit strategy over here. Can go to the channel here. We'll be also posting this real quickly here in the Discord server. So here is the exit strategy video. So guys, if you want to check the exit strategy video, you can right away go to the channel here or after the stream here. It is right now uploaded here. Will be, of course, very amazing to see you guys over there as well. But right now, we'll be wrapping up the stream and also getting another supportive donation. We'll be going into your donation real quickly. And after that, of course, we'll be wrapping up the stream. But guys, it was an amazing stream here. Let me check real quick what the donation was. No message. Oh, wait. There was a message. Please check OGN. Wait, there's no message? I don't see a message coming in. Let me check it real quickly, because I do want to be seeing the message. Thoughts on BTC monthly candles and a project called Panthers. The monthly candles, I mean, yeah, of course, we're just starting off. We're just starting off the month, so I do think that we will be definitely going higher with the Bitcoin monthly candles. Can't wait for the exit strategy. So guys, yeah, just uploaded the exit strategy video. Make sure to check it. Make sure to check it. This right now here. Oh, it's over here. So it's just uploaded here. So I will be wrapping up the stream right now. Make sure to check it. Monthly candles are looking good for Bitcoin. Sorry, this is the weekly. Monthly candles looking good. Definitely going to flip this one into the green once again here. Nothing to worry about. But thank you guys all for watching here. I will be seeing you guys in the comments on the next video here. Make sure to check it over there. Yeah, guys, I will be just seeing you over there. So it was amazing here. We'll be seeing you guys back later on with a new stream tomorrow, or maybe even later tonight. I will be doing another stream here. So yeah, see you later, guys, and don't forget to check the exit strategy video. Peace out.